Assalamualaikum. Anda sedang menonton rancangan Min and Kat Double the Fun.
Macam mana? How's Raya?
Okey.
Yeah?
Bagus saja, alhamdulillah. Raya tahun ni sambutan dia
Meriah.
Meriah. Baju pun meriah tahun ni.
Ya, mesti.
Betul.
Tak kira hari apa, Raya mesti
Tetap
meriah.
raya, mesti meriah. So kita orang nak tahu you guys punya baju raya tahun ni warna apa? Tinggalkan dekat komen
Dan
tu.
berapa pasang mini tu yang paling penting nak kena tanya.
Betul. Kita selalu cakap kita nak 1 pasang 2 pasang tapi lala 5. Sebab ada open house, ada ini, ada rumah saudara mara. First day tu kena bergaya.
Lepas tu 5-6 tu kadang-kadang biasa, Min. Kadang-kadang dia bagi tu, ada 10. Kenapa 10? Open house banyak, dek.
Ya. Baju tak nak ulang, dek. Okay, so episod ni kita ada siapa, Kat?
Oh my God, I rasa interesting sangat. You guys akan terkejut kalau I cakap. Dia adalah seorang rapper, Min.
Ya, lagi?
He is also a content creator.
Entrepreneur.
Juga seorang entrepreneur. And dia adalah orang yang sangat berani. He is so brave.
Verbal too.
Verbally brave.
Yes.
Verbally strong. Such a strong character.
He is. Salute.
Siapa dia?
I
Siapa
salute dia.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
let's not waste time. Mari kita persilakan Caprice.
There we go.
Assalamualaikum.
Hi, thank you
Selamat
so much.
datang. Wow, dia nampak macam polis lah, Cap.
Yeah.
Nampak macam polis tak?
FBI.
FBI.
Yes, FBI.
Yeah.
Don't move.
That's a nice set.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks to...
How I diverted the whole
Yeah. But I'm coming back.
Oh no.
We are coming back to that.
Thanks to
Yeah.
Stoots Media.
Yes.
Okay, sebenarnya set dia memang cantik.
Lawa.
Kali ni memang warna dia lain.
Very
Itu kat dalam. Apa dalam tu?
This is my access card.
To
My
office.
office, my house.
Okay. Itu kena rentak je. Boleh lah masuk office je.
Yeah.
Kenapa tak simpan dalam poket je? Tapi style lah nampak macam tu.
Sebenarnya.
Yeah, it's easy to access. So if I carry my son, hard to tap.
Right. So dia yang ambilkan je untuk bapak dia.
Such a wonderful daddy.
Ya.
Yeah, I
Apa
love
daddy?
my son too much.
Apa dia punya
Daddy
ID?
cap. Daddy cap.
Daddy cap.
Daddy
There you
cap.
go. Daddy
Yeah,
cap.
daddy cap.
Dah jadi bapak daddy.
Yeah.
Kalau dulu, who's your daddy?
Yeah.
Betul.
Caprice now is daddy cap.
Right. Okay, so how's your raya? Cuba ceritakan mana you beraya, selalu balik kampung ke, or macam mana sekarang?
Sejak kita kahwin dengan orang Kelantan.
Kita, okay, you, okay.
Sejak kita kahwin dengan orang Kelantan.
Okay.
So the rule is must always raya there lah. Plus my grandma dah passed away, so
Alright.
now every morning is my parents' house
Okay.
in Segambut.
Oh, Segambut.
Dekat.
Yeah, nearby.
Yes.
Kiara Segambut.
Yeah.
Dekat dengan I.
Segambut,
Oh,
yeah.
I'm there.
You're there?
Yes.
Mana
Okay, nanti
tadi
kita
I-
cerita.
Yeah, I put cerita dekat Kat.
okay.
We're around there.
Your kampung, your place, your house.
My place, my
Our
house.
house.
Dekat in
Okay.
between Segambut and
We are neighbors. We are neighbors.
Oh, we're all neighbors.
We are all
Yes, very near.
Oh, okay. So
Right.
every morning, my parents' house, habis je makan pagi raya, drive to Kelantan.
Yo.
I see.
12
But
jam. 12
How's the
jam.
which
12.
part of Kelantan?
Kota Baru.
Kota Baru itself. Oh, that's where my late mom is from.
Okay.
Yeah.
12 hours minimum.
Anak you macam mana?
We,
Okay.
we have fun. I mean, we have
Yeah.
boys in the car. And
Right.
we stop every few hours. We stop and...
What
Terror dah
caravan?
kecek Kelantan. Dah terror
Oh,
dah
me?
kecek Kelantan, ya.
No, I just know
No?
voodoo.
Bodoh, otak jam.
Otak jam.
Otak jam,
That's it.
otak jam.
Otak jam.
Otak jam.
I just know voodoo and some swear words, but
Yeah.
Oh ya?
Mm.
Seperti?
Can't say. Can we say it?
We,
can say.
you say it,
We
we
can
bleep
say.
it, we'll bleep it.
Bleep
We
it.
will bleep it.
We will
Okay.
bleep it. But what is it?
Nate.
Nate,
That's
nate, okay, nate
That's
beruk
okay.
banyak.
Nate is okay?
Nate is
Nate is
okay.
binatang kan?
What if say it's a really bad word?
Nate is binatang kan?
Yeah,
nate?
binatang.
Binatang.
Yeah, it's
Nate is
okay. It's
binatang.
acceptable.
What was it?
Tak payah bleep
Nate.
sangat lah.
Lagi itu je.
Nate.
Itu je. Nate beruk
Tapi
itu
kalau-
je. Oh.
Kalau a Kelantanese speaks to you, would you able to understand?
No, it's an alien. Whenever,
Really?
whenever my wife Mara, she's Cantonese, so she
Yeah.
just throw it all at me. I understand. I don't understand a single word, but I know she's angry.
From the tone and the expression, ala comel. Orang Kelantan boleh tinggal komen, kita suruh Kat translate lepas tu.
Translate.
Kan?
I nak korang tinggalkan komen macam mana korang berletih dekat suami. I nak baca benda Allah. Dia mesti kelakar doh.
Yeah.
I pun alien. Tapi I cuba tangkap sebab dia vocab dia sangat-sangat lain.
Tapi mudah terror dah. Sejak saingan kita mudah terror dah.
Oh, kawan I partner I yang tu pun Yan.
Oh,
Jadi
Yan.
Yan.
It's a different language.
Yo, memang I
You think?
serious
Yes.
tak faham. It's like Sarawak pun sama, alien as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so masa kecil you beraya dekat Segambut juga? Sama?
When I was young,
nenek
my dad Jelebu, my mom Lenggeng.
Negeri
Sembilan.
Sembilan.
Yeah, so every raya just balik kampung Negeri Sembilan lah.
So pandai cakap lah. Negori.
No.
No.
Because when I was younger, I was living overseas, right?
Right.
We
Where do
only-
you live?
Jordan, Algeria, France.
Sebab parents-
Moi, je peux parler français très bien.
Okay.
Quand,
It's
ouais,
French,
quand
yeah.
j'étais jeune,
It's
j'habite au
French.
Paris pour 3 ans.
I know combien coûte style.
There you go.
How much is
Can
that
you
pen?
yeah, at one point in my life, my French was better than my Bahasa. It was
Right.
English, French, Bahasa. So
right.
kita balik Malaysia, I think every 3 years. When we come back to Malaysia, we go back kampung lah. But
Yeah.
most of our raya is in overseas. But my dad was an ambassador, so
Okay.
raya he had to sambut apa guests, tetamu, students.
Right.
So we had to celebrate raya outside lah.
Right.
Most of my life lah.
Okay lah.
That's where his accent is
That's,
from.
unfortunately, for better or
Yeah.
worse, that's where I got this accent stuff.
Yeah.
Right.
Awal-awal orang fikir, bapak poyo cap ni, ada accent.
No.
No, it's not. I can't make
Yeah.
this one up.
Yeah, betul. And also sebab you masuk sekolah international school everywhere you go.
Yes.
Correct.
Betul. Orang selalu cakap sebenarnya, memang dia cakap kat komen, alah Cap ni poyo lah cakap slang. Tapi sebenarnya it's his background.
It's
You know,
stuck, it's
father
stuck.
dia ambassador, and you were living in the States as well?
No, just Jordan,
just Jordan
Algeria,
and France,
Paris,
yeah?
yeah.
So, sekolah
And also
international.
sebab boleh, Dek.
Ya, kalau boleh, why
Kalau
not?
you boleh cakap bahasa Arab, dah
Why not?
confirm you belagak cakap bahasa Arab.
Yeah.
Kalau you confirm boleh cakap bahasa German, you dah confirm dah cakap
Yeah.
bahasa German, I tell you.
And
you
takkan
mesti-
kita nak buat biasa, takkan nak buat mediocre, mestilah kena dengan the proper accent.
Ha.
Yeah.
Tapi dia bukan cakap tu secara belagak ke apa-apa, tapi memang itu gaya dia.
It's
Nak
natural.
lagi pula dia rapper, bunyi macam belagak
Yeah.
lah. Tapi macam dia,
lagi belakang.
betul. Kalau dia cakap negeri sembilan, yo, mu jam.
Aduh.
Lagi pelik.
Lagi pelik. Yeah.
Ah,
Oh my
so
God.
betul.
We get the answer today.
Yes.
Sebenarnya he's been living abroad,
Yeah.
father ambassador, sekolah international school. It comes naturally.
Yeah. So ada raya tradition yang you masih lagi pegang tak sampai sekarang?
Actually, my wife can attest to this. Actually, my family, we are the most we are not synchronized for Raya.
Iya, macam mana pula? Kenapa berterabur every
My
time?
wife was shocked when the first time she went balik kampung. Not balik kampung, went to our parents' house, my parents' house for Raya.
Yeah.
Tak ada siapa pakai baju Melayu.
Iya.
My adik is in a t-shirt, my abang is in a sweater. I went there with my jeans. Like, why are you wearing jeans? Like, please, wait till you
Relax.
arrive. And when she arrived, no one was coordinated. There was no color coordination. Yeah. Every
Right.
Raya photo she sees, like with my nenek, my dad's in jeans and t-shirt. We're the most.
Kesian nenek
Yeah.
you. Tapi nenek you tak bising, nenek you dah accept.
No, we're very santai. Like we
Right,
don't.
right.
There's no pressure, and my dad's a very simple person.
So
very
now Farah dah tukarkan benda tu semua?
No, I took her to that. When you marry Clintonese, you marry into that culture.
Yes.
So we follow the culture.
Oh, I feel
Yes.
attacked
But
right
then
now.
bila you pergi raya dekat rumah you, you
it's great.
seorang
No,
je.
it's great.
Yeah.
Then I experienced it.
Yeah.
Right.
First time in my life where
A change.
everyone is excited for baju
Yeah.
raya, what color.
Yeah. And the feast, Cap. The
you gotta-
feast, the
the
food,
feast, the
right?
food, but then every day is a different color.
Betul.
I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm like, what? Saya, I'm gonna buy how many outfit? I'm gonna buy at least 2 outfit.
Yeah.
For what? Second day?
Yeah, betul.
You can't wear the same one second day?
Betul.
No, you can't. You can't wear jeans second day? No, you
No.
can't.
No.
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 It's still the raya punya fire tu
It's
still.
like a crime, right?
And itu pun okay because she said 2 pasang je for 2 days.
Yeah.
Some people go
Yeah.
4.
So what,
Yeah. 4
I
days.
felt so, I felt a bit weird lah. I thought, I can't wear jeans.
Panas tak dekat kampung dia?
It's panas.
Panas.
Jangan kutuk, jangan
Tak,
kutuk.
kampung aku panas tu pasal I tanya soalan tu sebab tu I malas.
We're by the sea.
Tu pasal I malas nak pakai baju gila-gila. Kalau I raya,
Oh,
balik
yes,
kampung, I pakai
that's
macam
true.
ni.
Yeah, something
This is
simple,
my
something
baju.
airy. Betul.
This is my baju.
Kita kat
Culture
East
shock,
Coast,
culture
kita
shock.
by the sea, kita panas kat sana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ya. Dia ni dekat kampung I, dong culture shock. Tengok kita orang Mak Salleh pakai baju Melayu. So it's terbalik sikit.
Yeah.
Okay, so cerita pasal anak you.
Yeah, my son, Ariel Kashaf, has been like my.
Iril Kashaf.
It's now like
nama
my
dia.
anchor.
Yeah.
My anchor in my life. Always reminding me to kena relax, control. Before my son, I was very emotional. Segala benda kita nak beremosi.
Yeah.
Right.
But because of my son, I learned to take maybe 5 steps back
Right.
or
To
10 steps back.
When you say kena banyak bersabar and tak emotional tu dari segi apa? Is it because kalau macam anak teenager tu kita faham macam dia marah, dia test our patience. Tapi anak you kecil lagi. So when you say like that, meaning in what sense?
Oh, in my content. So whatever content I create on social media, sebelum ni dia kita buat ad hoc If I'm angry at that time, I'm angry on camera.
Right.
If I'm very frustrated, I'm extra frustrated on camera. If I nak marah pasal ada satu isu ataupun satu case, I tibai macam there's no tomorrow.
Right.
But now that my son is there, maybe my marah is 50%.
Berlapik sikit lah and
Cover
bring it
sikit.
down.
I tend to not be so aggressive anymore.
Yeah.
But it's still there. People can tell that my content is still aggressive.
Why so?
Because I feel like that is the only way sometimes you can address an issue ataupun bring better awareness.
Yeah.
If we go passive atau slow, number one, the engagement will not be strong.
Yeah.
And then people might not rasa digertak ataupun risau. But ever since my son was born, I'm actually slowing down. People don't realize it, but even though we are still aggressive on social media,
Yeah,
people
yeah.
nampak macam Cap ni macam wow,
Active.
lantang bersuara. Tapi kalau ikut yang on my scale, it's actually toned down a lot.
Right, right.
Yeah, the older Caprice was much more hardcore. Even though now KZ makin besar,
Yeah.
orang yang kita lawan agak besar,
Yeah.
tapi dari segi Cap punya intonasi ataupun aggression, actually it's like been reduced.
Reduced.
50%. Yeah.
Faham?
Because of my son. My son really he's like my Panadol, my Xanax, my happy pill.
So he's been calming you down all this while.
Yes.
Maksud nama dia apa?
My wife gave the name.
Oh, okay.
I mean, we talked about it. I wanted a different name,
Okay.
but I can't say it now lah. She'll get angry. But I
Oh,
was-
she'll get angry.
no, because my name is so symbolic.
Yeah.
Okay.
But she's like, Aris, if you give that name in school, he will get bullied. I'm like, really?
Which is?
I can't say it.
Okay.
I don't want to say it.
Faham?
It'll sound funny now, but Arif Kashraf, I forgot what it meant. I wish my wife was here.
Okay.
It's something
okay.
to do with like hope and what was it?
Never mind.
Tak apa.
But
Nanti
along
kita
the lines
tanya.
of hope,
Nanti kita
hope.
tanya.
Korang
Nuran.
tinggalkan maksud
Yeah.
nama dekat
Yes.
komen, okay?
I will comment. My wife will comment. You pin it.
Okay, okay, okay.
Ah,
okay.
yes, yes.
Yes,
It's like
yes.
a silent pejuang. Along those lines.
Okay,
Like a
okay.
silent warrior kind
Yes,
of thing.
so-
Okay.
Which
So-
is like what you're doing
But I'm
also
the
because
loud warrior. I'm
Yeah, you're the loud
over
one. Uh-huh.
So my wife gave the name to my son as the guy that in spirit he fights, but he's a silent.
Oh, that is
warrior.
nice.
It's really nice.
That's
no,
nice.
When I heard it, I'm like, wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The silent
very-
warrior.
to me that's profound.
Betul.
Yeah, not everybody can do that fighting but silently.
Yes,
There-
yes.
There's an art to that, you know, and knowledge and wisdom as well.
Very
He's growing up
nice.
so fast, to be honest. Like,
Ya, I tengok dia hari tu, amboi budak ni. Macam dia tak behave macam budak setahun lebih. Dia tahu tangan tu.
Yeah.
my wife is like, apa? Okay, this is the crazy part. Every kid listens to music. So like my wife has seen her daughter, right? Our daughter listen to music. But my son punya obsession with hip hop. I mean, we play all kinds of music.
Yeah.
Miss Rachel, all kinds of stuff,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And on the one day when I'm playing my hip hop music, randomly, he sort of stopped playing toys and he started moving towards the TV.
Wow.
And I saw it, I'm like, nah, it's just maybe just the beat. Maybe the beat is catchy.
Yeah,
Okay. He only heard the song once. Only once.
right.
Okay. We woke up like a week later. Later on around the week. He gets up, gets a remote. He asked for "Tak Bola Bale."
Cute.
He said that.
Yes. He only heard it once a week before that. He said, "Mommy, Daddy,
Indonesian song.
Tak Bola Bale.
Yeah.
Tak Bola Bale."
Yeah.
I'm like, what? You heard it only once though.
Yeah. You
Then you
remember.
know.
But I played it.
Yeah.
He started following along to the beat.
Yeah.
And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna DM this artist from Indonesia, the singer.
Yeah.
And like, hey, let me do a remix. Let me do a remix of this song. The singer replied. So the puncha the puncha that I started back music a month ago because of my son. I don't need
I
music to come back.
see.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah,
started,
yeah.
Like, pension, stop,
Yeah.
Yes.
performing. But because of my son, I DM the actual artist with
Yeah.
300 million views.
Yeah.
The artist replied.
Wow.
Yeah, the song was a big hit. Tabula
Betul,
Bale is a
betul.
massive hit.
Betul.
And the artist replied, let's do a remix. So actually, I flew down from Indonesia to KL. We did a remix. And then we performed it first time in Sabah with the Prime Minister of Malaysia. I don't know if you saw that clip.
No.
Not yet,
Tapi I
not
tahu
yet.
Sabah, kalau Sabah je mesti ramai orang datang.
No, but he grabbed the mic and wanted to perform. The Prime Minister saw him, our Prime Minister,
Yeah.
asked to dukung and dukung. So he remembers that performance like so profoundly. Remember I performed recently at a
Yes,
pickleball.
yes. Dekat Thomas, yeah.
He's annoying my wife to go on stage. That's why I brought him on stage.
Right.
And he never let, if you notice, he never let go of the mic.
Yes, dia nak minta mic, dia minta.
Until the event closed. The event kata Kat boleh tak minta mic dari punya anak.
You kena beli mic.
Kita tengah makan dinner, he was holding the mic.
Oh my god, you kena beli mic dah untuk dia warna merah ke warna apa ke, you know.
He became my puncher of going back to music because like I want to show him like
Yeah.
Daddy
Was
still
a
got it.
performer. Yes.
I still got it.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
when he sees Daddy perform, he gets so excited. And then when he's happy, obviously I'm happy kan. Bila kita tengok
Yeah.
anak kita happy,
Yeah.
obviously as a father makes me happy. Like
That's
wow.
so nice.
It's in the DNA, you know,
Eh,
performing and
apa orang
rapping.
kata di mana kuah.
Di mana
Kemana tumpahnya
kuah.
nasi? Kemana
Kuah.
tumpahnya kuah kalau tak ke nasi?
So
Yeah.
my
Yes,
wife
yes.
said that. So I
Or apple doesn't fall far from the
yeah,
tree.
what you do Aris, this is that's you.
Ya betul.
So
Mini you.
whenever dia macam stressed, my son, whenever I'm stressed atau he's stressed, he knows whenever he's stressed, he will ask to go out, daddy, let's go out. So he knows my wife will not come along because it's ad hoc. My wife
Yeah.
has to make up. So he would sit in the car seatbelt, and sometimes I would just drive around the car park, listen to music,
Dia
and
okay.
he just
With the movement.
He's just vibing.
He's gonna be a buddy.
Yeah,
This one. He is.
So my
He's
son is
mini
really,
you.
yeah, it's really a blessing. Like
He is.
every day I count my blessing. Like Alhamdulillah,
Yeah.
thank you.
I tengok dia sekali je macam
Yeah.
wow, dia dah ada gems ketul kat situ. I said budak ni gempak, dia akan besar gempak.
Yeah.
I tak tahu macam mana dia boleh keluar, macam mana dia boleh faham. He's only 1 year plus.
Yeah, not
And
even two.
knowing that dia boleh hafal macam tu, you can throw anything to him right
Yeah.
now. Dia akan
Yeah.
hafal banyak benda.
Alhamdulillah, he's amazing.
Yang surah-surah yang simple-simple dia akan cepat hafal. tu.
Yes.
My goodness, he saw us praying, right? I mean, we thinking he's a baby. Takkan dia hafal.
Yeah.
Takkan dia macam nak ikut. So one day he heard the azan. He just heard the azan. I posted a video on my IG. He hears it. He goes to the mat and just kneels. Allahu Akbar.
Oh no,
And then me and my wife looked at him like, what?
Wah, tu dia.
He sees it.
that's a smart
But
one.
he heard the azan knowing that was a cue to pray.
Yes.
Yeah.
So sort of me and my wife sort of broke down that day like, man, as much as our life is so fast, sometimes God sends you like a reminder.
Yeah.
Macam indirect reminder.
Betul.
I mean, kita semua manusia pernah buat silap. Sometimes we hear the azan, we don't right away run. But that one day when our apartment is next to a surau, a masjid. My son hears it. He goes to the mat first. And he just kneels down. And I'm like, and we just froze. Me and my wife just froze. Like, if there's a signal to get to us, that would be the best signal.
Yes,
So
betul.
my son has become macam-macam signal in our life lah. So it's been amazing.
You've
And
got,
it's good that you get to see it.
yeah.
Yes.
You know, some people
Experience
ada
it.
banyak hikmah datang tapi diorang tak nampak hikmah tu.
Yeah.
They still complain.
We are hyper aware,
That's good.
and he is like a blessing lah. Every day is a blessing. Yeah.
And you have a
Right.
little messenger at home
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
cute.
So besides you as a performer or in the industry, entertainment industry, siapa lagi dalam family you yang dalam entertainment industry? Ada
Nobody.
tak?
My whole family is kaki tangan kerajaan. My
Oh, yeah?
dad.
Macam
is,
mana you?
Yeah, how did you?
I don't know. It's just being in international school. I was in all my friends was into hip hop. But if you talk my families, police, askar, navy,
Right.
Putra, my whole family is kaki tangan kerajaan. It's just that when my dad loves music. When we were living in Paris, I was only about maybe like 6 years old. You know the vinyl?
Yes, yes.
Kan you just vinyl
LP,
player?
pakai LP,
So
yeah.
my dad had all the Michael Jackson vinyls, Vanilla Ice.
Masih ada lagi.
I don't know where it's at now. But I remember when my dad played Michael Jackson and Vanilla Ice when I was six years old, I was vibing to like, I was like secretly, quietly playing the song.
Viral sama.
You know what I mean? And out of all my siblings, I was the only one going after my dad's vinyl ataupun cassette. You know the cassette player,
Yes,
right?
yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
And it was either Michael Jackson or the Ice
Baby.
Baby. And I would play the Ice Baby like every day. It became so like until my dad got angry like and gave me the cassette and like let me
Layan
keep it
seorang.
lah. No, let me keep it.
Oh,
Yeah, so I became obsessed with it.
that's your first cassette.
That was my
Yeah.
first cassette, Vanilla Ice.
Vanilla Ice, dude. It's
Wow.
evergreen way. Sampai hari ni
Yeah.
lah lagu tu sebenarnya gempak gila lagu tu.
How many of you in your family, Cap?
So I have one abang and one adik.
Oh, so there's only 3 of
Yeah,
you.
Semua
we're
boys.
All boys.
Ah, all boys. Oh, okay.
Right.
My abang buat events, my adik is a doctor.
Ah,
He's the only one that followed my parents punya
impian.
and instructions.
Yeah.
Right.
I was meant to be a lawyer. So I obviously diverted
Yeah,
360.
If someone needs a rap,
Someone has to rap in the family.
yeah, I mean like kalau tidak semua doktor bosan lah weh. Like
Yeah.
everyone is in the hospital, you
Middle
know.
child syndrome lah.
Yeah, faham.
Middle child ni a bit unique,
Yes.
rebellious,
Rebellious.
independent.
They have a mind of their own.
Yeah.
So besides rapping, can you sing?
No.
Sing?
No. Can't
No.
sing.
Yeah.
So memang you akan rap saja.
Just rap, yeah.
Right. So umur berapa tahun yang you start writing songs?
I think about 16 in
Okay.
school. I was very rapping in school.
Was that in was that in overseas or were you
I was already
here?
here. I was at ISKL in Ampang. Sekolah
Right.
International, did my
Okay, of course
IB.
lah. ISKL boys lah.
Yeah. Go Panthers.
Masa you sekolah tu, okay, I dah habis lah. I dah habis. Ya, kalau tidak dulu ada juga lah visiting sekolah tu bila dia main bola,
Yeah.
whatever, you
used to
know.
go to ISKL?
No, I went to Sri Nai dulu. Sama juga. Dia pun sama juga.
Sri as well.
Yeah.
Sri Inai girls, Sri Aman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boys.
Yes.
That.
Tapi kita lain era.
Of course.
Lain era. Ya, kalau tidak dah nampak dah rapper tu dah jauh.
Kalau tak boleh bagi tahu, that's my schoolmate.
Yeah,
Kan?
That's
betul
my
juga.
schoolmate.
Okay, so you daripada rapper ke suara rakyat. Okay, honestly apa yang you buat ni bukan senang sebenarnya sebab but rakyat memang perlukan someone memang macam you. Right? So how did it all started?
That's really weird. It was a random DM asking me for pendapat tentang satu isu. I'm still rapping by the way.
Yeah.
Right.
My followers was not even tak sampai pun 200k. Not even 100k I think. This is a random guy, Kat, apa pendapat you tentang isu ni? So I just did a video. This is my view on the issue lah. 800,000 views
Walau on IG.
on IG. My
Wow.
followers just shot up. And then makin ramai orang minta pendapat. Remember that time I was doing What Is On?
Yes,
Yes,
and bang
yes.
bang.
So I'm
Yeah.
like, okay, let me come up with a series called What Is On the News Today.
Yes.
Every time someone DM, I baca the issue, I read about it, and then I ulas. So makin lama, like it became like a thing. Like everybody asked for my opinion. Oh, issue ni just happened. Talk about it. So I was talking about it for so long. Apparently, people want to listen for my view. It became that thing.
Yeah.
And makin lama issue dia makin berat.
Makin serious.
Makin serious.
Yeah.
Makin seram. So then akhirnya after 4 years of What Is On the News Today, it became now the Munafik Hunter.
Munafik Hunter now.
When
Yeah.
people are like, okay, apa-apa isu berat, hantar kat Caprice, confirm
Kasi expose, settle.
akan expose dan akan jalan.
You know, sekarang ni, ever since Munafik Hunter ni ada, orang kalau ada problem, they don't want to go to the police. They say, I nak mengadu dekat CAP. That is how powerful Munafik Hunter is right now.
And also like the tanggungjawab became more berat.
Yeah.
Obviously
Yes.
kita tak nak nampak macam kita ni are taking the work of police ke,
Yeah.
PRM ke, ataupun YB mana ke. Tapi I mean it's every time kita handle case for some reason memang benda laju bertindak. Macam
Yes.
kes baru-baru ni, kes Taska.
Yes.
Actually, ramai have been complaining for years. Ada kes yang seorang budak meninggal 3 tahun lepas.
Yeah.
Nothing happened. Police, we don't know why,
Yeah.
but nothing happened. Tapi when it came to our platform,
Yeah.
in 24 hours, polis siasat,
Keluar balik.
kena tutup, whatnot.
sita
In 24 hours.
Yeah.
So tak boleh dinafikan, our platform is very strong, but at the same time, the tanggungjawab on all of us is much more berat.
You need a
Yeah.
team, a big
Yeah.
team, and also maybe another person who's like you,
Yeah,
pelapis
big
you.
team, but big team means more cost,
Betul.
Correct.
more expenditure.
Betul.
So far, Munafik Hunter has been FOC. We don't
Right.
charge.
Yes.
It's national
see.
issue. we
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
charge.
How to charge?
How to charge?
Yeah.
How to charge?
I can't be like, anak kena leave.
Ada
Yeah.
settlekan kes you, dia macam kena play lawyer
Yeah.
3,000 untuk kes ni.
Yeah.
We don't do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this year disebabkan tanggungjawab tu makin berat, and you're right. We need a bigger team.
Yeah.
My wife tengok I every night like Aris, you kerja 9 to 5, you kerja hakiki. I run a social media agency. And then after that you also go to war with the
Yes.
whole country,
Yeah.
gangster,
Betul.
mafia, orang yang connection. You are crazy. You know what I mean? You're
Yeah.
getting saman kiri kanan. You
Yeah.
are crazy. So this year we decided. My good friend, my chairman, has a private PI license. also like a security license. So we are converting Munafik Hunter to become a proper macam security company.
Right.
We have
right.
we have the license to sell guns. We have the license to supply bodyguard. So adalah business model
Okay.
revenue
right,
to
okay.
sustain a bigger team. So at least adalah revenue sikit untuk apa build a
To
team.
help out.
Yeah.
We don't want to
okay.
become a ramai kata buat NGO macam PPIM ke atau macam semboyan ke. I said nah. Last thing I want to do is NGO. So NGO tu kutipan dana
Dana.
tu
Yeah.
you can only use 30%. The 80% should be given back to the rakyat. So disebabkan I'm not a big fan of NGO. I prefer a proper business lah. So
Right.
inshallah tahun ni, inshallah we will have a security company.
Inshallah.
What is the
Amin.
pros and cons from this? Whatever you have just started already.
I mean, pros is you help people.
You help people.
Yeah.
They're as the best. I mean, me and my team, we don't celebrate, but every day is a new day. Every day is a new case. I mean, I can open my
Right.
phone now. Semalam taska, hari ni tadika. Hari ni tadika, esok ada liwat, tafiz yang kena. We never celebrate.
Kan dalam ke? Kan?
Honestly, for me, I feel the most
so
alive.
frustrating.
My wife tells me you're weird. Kat rasa paling
Yeah, your sense of purpose is answered.
I feel
But-
most alive when I'm living at the very edge. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah, it does.
Yes.
Yeah.
I
My
do.
wife
I
doesn't
get
get
it.
it. My wife doesn't get it. She's like, how do you feel most alive when you are going to war? Kena ugut semua. I said, at least I don't know. Something drives me whenever kita bongkar a case and more parents come. It actually makes me more energized.
The sense of achievement you banyak lagi.
Yeah.
So yeah, you
But
just
then
want to achieve more.
My wife sees everything, but actually you're actually tired, Aris. You're actually living right now on adrenaline.
Betul.
Yeah.
I tak sedar until 2 hari lepas when I almost pitau. And my wife is like, ni lah. You kata you tengah semangat untuk bongkar case ni.
Yeah.
Tapi you nak pitau ni. Sebab apa? Sebab you are right now, you are operating not on
Overdrive.
overdrive. Now you're just on adrenaline.
Yeah.
Walaupun you rasa adrenaline tu like making you feel more semangat, tapi you're gonna burn out.
Yeah.
For the
But
past 20
how's your sleep though?
really bad. Tapi sebelum Munafik Hunter pun dah really bad.
Right.
I've been seeing a psychiatrist since I was 18, 19.
Sebab untuk
Not
tidur.
many people. Some people know this lah. In some interviews, I've shared this. But I was suffering with anxiety, depression, all the way until I got married. The day I got married was the day yang ubat tidur, Dormicum, Xanax, Controlog for the gastric,
Out of the
semua
window.
hilang. Semua hilang. When my wife first met me, dia terkejut. Whenever I go out with her, I have this bag full of ubat.
Meds.
And she's like, what is wrong with you? Like, that's normally for grandma, grandpa. What's inside the bag? And I showed her, this is Controlog for gastric, for Nexium. This is Dormicum to sleep, Xanax for my anxiety, Lexapro for my depression. She's like, what is wrong? Berapa lama you ambil benda ni? I'm like, man, since I was like 21, 22, like 10 years.
Wow. You kena fix your gut je. Semua masalah tu semua datang daripada
Yeah.
perut. All that.
So 10 years on medication,
Right.
but it all disappeared like magic. Kahwin je, like there's no gastric, there's no GERD. Kan doctor pun check.
Yeah.
Gastric GERD is a real medical condition. So is anxiety, right?
Yes.
When doctor checked me after like I got married, it's not there anymore.
You were
What changed?
happy.
That's the
You were
thing. Yeah, and then
happy.
and you're happy is the scientific
Yeah.
reason.
Yeah.
In the Islamic reason is you dah halalkan your life, Caprice.
Betul lah juga. Yeah.
Dulu Caca Marba everywhere here and
Ustaz
there.
told me, Alhamdulillah, brother, you have halal your life. Look at all the sickness gone.
Yeah. So you're not dealing with anything anymore right now, yeah?
Alhamdulillah, I mean,
She seemed to be a perfect girl for you.
maybe it's perfect match. Maybe
Yeah.
it's perfect jodoh. Right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
how did you meet her?
Met
Jumpa
her,
dia kat mana tu?
I met her online. Macam biasa. Kat
really?
Kat mengorak.
Facebook ke apa?
IG.
IG, DM.
Oh,
Pip, pip, pip.
DMDM.
Oh.
Oh, murah.
Dia antara orang yang reply. So, ajak makan. She had her daughter. Kid. And I love kids. I mean, kids get along with me very well. My family. First date pun, I just belanja. I suka belanja orang. First date was lunch with my friends and her.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And then the daughter cried. For some, I don't know why she cried, but cried about something. Like the mom said something, she cried. I'm like, yo, let me just buy you a toy real quick.
Oh,
So I went to Toys R Us, bought her a toy. And then since then, the daughter can't stop talking about me. So my wife was like, yo, let's go out. My daughter wants to see you.
Oh, the daughter wants
I
to
don't
see
know
you.
whether there's a reason. I don't know.
Possible because my son pun macam tu juga.
Is it?
Yes. Sekarang pun dah macam rindu dekat my ex. So macam
Okay.
okay, but you deal on your own. Pandai-pandai kau lah setting.
So,
But then
so
yeah.
that's how we met, and then we just clicked lah. But the thing about Alice, I wish she was here. She's very gangster.
I suka perempuan-perempuan
Yeah,
gangster
yeah.
ganas-ganas
Boleh nampak,
ni.
boleh
You
nampak.
know,
She's very
Dia pandai jaga
strong-willed.
you, dia tahu pandai direction.
She don't care about anything or anyone.
Yeah.
strong-willed.
That's the part that sort of attracted me to her a lot. Like, apa? Dia boleh cakap, dia boleh, don't blah lah. I don't want this environment. I'm like, you sure? Let's get out of here. Let's go eat in a more private place.
Right,
You know,
right.
She's very free.
Kelantan cakap macam ni, jom keluar lah.
Tubik.
Tubik lah. This is it.
She got me outside my comfort zone.
Right.
Like
Right.
dulu kalau kita keluar pun kita kena tengok hati-hati dengan environment.
Yeah.
You go in, you go out. She brought me to makan budu at apa? Now it's shut down. Belakang Strand Mall. It's like a street full of food.
Oh, dekat ni Kota Damansara.
Tahu?
No. The Strand in KL. No, Strand in KL.
Kota Damansara, right?
No. There's a mall. Oh, Allah.
Starling.
Starling?
Starling.
Starling
mana?
is
Kat
in
KL? KL.
Jakarta Utama.
Itu Quill City.
Quill City. What's behind there?
I said tahu. I said
Kampung Baru lah.
makan macam singgang lah, whatever.
Yeah. Kampung Baru lah, Kampung Baru area.
Shut down, right?
Yeah.
Yes, ada tempat yang tu.
Okay, waktu Cap tengah kenal Alice, she's like, let's go to this one place. I'll take you now.
Okay.
Sebelum ni bawa dia pergi Pevi,
Yeah.
whatever, right? That's nice. She's like, let me take you to a
Ghetto.
nice food. You nice food. Stop eating this chili. Stop eating this steak, and
Yeah.
let me take you to good food, and it's not expensive. I'm like, all right. So she brought me to this restaurant. Macam bagi Cap, it looks rundown lah.
Yeah,
I'm not. Cap tak pernah. I mean, paling is mamak lah kan.
Yeah.
This one is like seats there macam
Tinggi rendah.
even, and then the shelf is wood, right? It's ikan singgang.
Yeah.
Okay.
In that place.
Yeah.
They order budu, nasi, ikan singgang, and some sayur.
Some ulam-ulam.
Ulam-ulam.
Ulam,
yes.
yeah.
I ate it. I'm like, wow.
You pandai makan ikan kuah
Tak pandai.
Okay.
That was the first time.
That was it.
Oh.
So good. And that became our spot. Every week we go there just to eat. But she got me outside my comfort zone.
Yeah.
Maybe like kita jatuh cinta sebab I felt in a long time I never felt like normal. Does that make
Right.
sense? I've always felt like
Yes.
I can adjust.
You have to put up a
front.
face,
Yeah.
a front. Yes,
Like
yes.
a facade.
Everything is fabricated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just to get into
I
the
know.
coffee shop,
Accepted.
more and more.
Yeah, I
You know,
know.
show hi. But at ikan singgang is like makan tangan.
Yeah. Real.
Yeah,
And
real.
she's like, just get out the house now. I'm in my shorts. I'm what? Really like this? Like people might
Yeah.
look at me and judge me. It's, you know? It's like, man, shut up. We just finished playing badminton. You want to change to your jeans? Just go. I'm in my most comfortable position in life,
Yeah.
eating good food with a person that wants me to be normal.
Yeah.
You dress up ke bila nak hantar? I don't know. Because anak you kecil. Kalau nak pergi sekolah ke nak pergi kedai. You dress up juga ke?
Yeah.
Oh, I tak.
So you'll switch
I do,
to-
but my wife doesn't like it though. Me,
Right.
that's me. See, I'm very uniformed. Like,
Do you daripada dulu lagi pun?
yeah, since I was back
Dia
then.
selalu kemas.
Come on.
Yeah.
Mat kemas.
Cap, I always bump into you dekat Publica. You're still like this.
Yeah.
So I wonder
Yeah.
where will I ever see you in
Penat.
like
I penat
jeans
tengok dia.
and shorts, you know?
My wife is the one that brought me out of that zone. Apa?
Bagus at least.
Yeah. Good job.
Buat Kat rasa paling selesa and paling apa? Being myself.
I sebenarnya nak dia ada dekat sini dengan anak you sekali.
Unfortunately, I wish I was from
Sebab
BC.
di sebalik this caprice yang strong yang lawan dengan semua orang ni is the wife and the anak dekat
He's
belakang.
gangster and she puts me at my most comfortable position.
Advisor you pun ya.
Yeah.
Financial advisor, dia menteri kewangan. So whatever financial she controls, which is good. Kat ni boros. She's like the
I can
every
tell.
cent counts. Tak di mainan ni tak perlu beli lah. I'm like, no, but I really deserve 3 toys. Just take one, Aris.
You think he deserves.
Yes, I want 3 toys. 1 toy is enough, Aris. So
Faham?
she's my balance, and she's my account. She's my check and balance.
Bagus.
That's
Bagus. That's what you need,
that's
actually,
So
someone who
smart
can
of
do
you.
that.
At least, Cap, you buat this Munafik Hunters semua. You are in a danger zone. Yeah? So how is it that you deal with that on an everyday basis? Feeling macam someone's coming after you. I hope it's okay untuk
Yeah,
kita
it's
bincang
fine,
pasal ni.
no problem.
Like you know someone's coming after you. But how do you set the boundaries, knowing that, you know, this is work, I have to do this. You know, I know someone's coming, tapi aku kena lay low, you know, living in the everyday.
Yeah,
Macam
so-
mana
Oh,
you
fight on.
Yeah.
So for me, macam I always feel this is my personal pendapat lah. I always feel the best defense is a good offense. Maksud Cap is kalau kita duduk dalam ketakutan, we're giving them leverage. That means we are afraid. They know we are afraid. Therefore, they win in terms of kita berjaya buat Caprice ni duduk dalam takut, right?
Right.
So I always have to look ataupun be aggressive to let them know I'm willing to meet you there. Wherever you want to go, I will meet you there. You want to go to that point, I will meet you there. And I've done this so many times. Banyak case-case yang kita ambil di belakang, is it called di belakang tabir?
Yeah.
Di belakang tabir.
belakang tabir.
Di belakang
Yeah.
tabir. I've offered to meet them at the hotel, coffee shop, sit down, and they know it. I know it, they know it. But most times they never show up. So because they never show up, I know most of the aggression on that side is also up front.
Right.
Them just howling, testing
Right.
in the
Tengoklah
in the
macam mana.
wild.
Yeah, yeah.
Two lions will just roar.
Yeah.
To see which roar is louder.
Yeah.
So they will roar, I will roar. They want to bite, I say let's go meet here and bite.
Okay.
But that part never actually happens. So because of that, I always I maintain that. Tetapi for my family,
Yeah.
is obviously they don't like it lah.
Of
Diorang
course.
tak suka duduk dalam dunia apa?
Ketakutan,
ancaman.
ancaman.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Every time kita pergi
Ugut.
cuti is like, B, you post that 3 days later. We all at the show. We're
Yeah.
we're at the
Yeah.
resort now in Penang. Unfortunately, in our world, that resort Penang can post in 3 days
Yeah. Once you return.
once we're out.
Yes, correct.
So my wife had got used to it by now lah. Tapi awal-awal dia tak faham.
Yeah.
Lah, kita nak pergi cuti ni, I nak post.
Yeah, she wants to share.
Yeah, she wants to
Biasalah.
share.
Kita pula ladies mean, mestilah nak share.
Tapi
Apa,
I
whatever
selalu
wearing.
lambat sikit.
Oh yeah?
I selalu lambat sikit. A day after, at least a day after.
A day after,
Oh, that's
yeah,
2 days
understood.
after, ataupun if I on that day I have a armed bodyguard yang bersenjata ataupun bodyguard, no big deal. We'll do it. I want to be normal as well. I tak
Yeah.
so
Yeah,
my wife disebabkan Caprice semua kena duduk dalam dunia baru ni.
Yeah.
Ada masa yang kita memang selamat. Okay, do it.
Don't you think we are actually taught untuk post? Perlu ke? Faham tak?
Yeah.
So, kalau you dig deep kan sebenarnya kenapa kita kena post tunjuk, well I'm guilty, I tak cakap I bagus tapi kita nak faham psikologi ni pula. Kenapa kita kena post sekarang, kita kena tunjuk.
Yeah.
Kadang-kadang kita sebenarnya bukan nak tunjuk pun yang kita ni semua tapi it's for our own memory,
Yeah.
our own journal. Tapi kena ke? Kalau zaman dulu kita lagi feel tau, kita lagi alive kalau kita tak post. Have you tried pergi satu trip you tak post apa-apa pun?
I would love it. 'Cause I'm a
You
private
tried,
guy.
yes.
No, but I'm a
Memang,
private
oh,
guy.
okay. Because you're a private guy. Sebab you lagi enjoy tau sebenarnya. Tapi
We're
kalau
in
kita dah
our
start
element.
masuk suka posting ni, kita gatal bang. Alah, tapi tak post. Dah
No,
start.
there's moments. I hope my wife don't get mad at me for sharing this. There's a moment where there's many moments lah, but I'll see one moment where we were in honeymoon Paris. I love Paris. We went to a museum. I love history.
Right.
So I'm there like trying to enjoy like, yo, B, do you know about this sejarah, arts and whatnot? And she was there. I'm like, B, I'm talking to you about the history of this art.
Dah, dengar.
Like, no, but you gotta look this beautiful scene. I'm like, oh. You know what I mean? She wanted to see that photo moment.
That was the first.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, true. To be fair.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Fair.
Because kalau you bawa lain hari, lain time pula, okay, then she'll
No,
sit
but
down.
everywhere we go, she's on the photo. Though. We're in Ferengi, also she's on the photos.
Then wait until she's done, then tell her.
Yeah.
Then you
Let's
move.
enjoy these moments.
Faham?
Yeah.
Let's take it all the
know.
culture,
Take it in.
the smell,
Yeah.
and let's just walk. I feel like
Yeah.
sometimes human beings we're so locked in this
It is. That's what I
that
said.
we fail to enjoy.
Betul.
Yeah,
I totally agree. I
My wife-
always tell my friends,
my wife
all.
disagrees.
I said I love handphone, but this is too advanced. It's too advanced. It's too fast.
I feel like phones takes away the magic from the experience.
Yes,
that
it
make sense?
does.
Maybe I'm old school.
No,
Tak,
but
tak,
it's
tak, tak,
true.
It does. It
But
does.
it's true. It does. It
You
does.
imagine like you're enjoying the sea. Maybe a turtle is moving, and suddenly you hear like, "Oh, turtle, record it."
Yeah.
I'm like, let it swim. Let me enjoy this moment. Let me smell it. But then because of this like phones all sticking
Yeah.
out, flash.
Yeah.
Yes.
That magic moment with the turtle gets taken away like, okay.
Kita macam nak be in the element.
Yes.
Kalau pergi holiday, you want to be in the element. If you're
yes.
out with a family
I prefer
makan,
Yes.
you want to talk kan. Ini sambil nak chat pun tak boleh masa dinner, babe. Nak
Tapi at this
kena ni.
day and age, kalau kita tak record, maknanya kita tak ingat dah. Nanti orang katalah 5 tahun. Mam,
Yeah.
korang ingat tak masa kita pergi contohlah pergi perhentian.
Yeah.
Mana nak ingat mami tak boleh nak ambil gambar? Dia
So
guna against kita pula?
So that's the point that orang buat.
Yeah.
Apa yang I always balik adalah there's moments for that.
Yes.
It's like jom create content boleh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tapi when you're in that moment,
Cukuplah itu je.
Yeah.
enjoy it.
Yes.
Smell it, smell the
Betul.
air, enjoy the scenes.
Betul.
After that moment is captured, you're holding hands and it's done. Hey, can we take a photo there again? Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. Exactly.
For that, because for me, the memory of that experience tanpa camera is much more embedded in our head.
Yes.
Yeah.
Daripada, okay, let's find the angle and call that memory. For me, it's not memory.
Betul,
Dia
betul.
macam a snapshot of our
Betul.
framing.
You
Yes.
set it up.
Yeah, we set out the frame. Sebab
Yeah.
nak cari angle baik,
Betul.
lighting cantik, and then you click.
And that part of your brain is not used.
I guarantee you, most of the photos, we don't remember what happened.
No. Kita lemah. Patut kita nak recall pun susah.
Yeah,
That's
It's
why.
a nice photo.
Yes.
It's a nice photo.
That's it.
But what was the memory?
Yes.
Yeah.
What happened before and after?
What was the special moment?
Yes.
Most cases, they won't say it.
Tak ada.
Best lah bincang pasal ni.
So hari ni I cakap nama dia Caprice, you cakap Caprice.
Yeah.
Mana
actually
satu?
Caprice. Yeah, which
Caprice
one is
ke
it? Is it
Caprice?
Caprice or is it Caprice?
Caprice.
Caprice.
Oh,
okay.
it's Caprice.
Yeah.
Mana datang
Caprice.
Caprice tu?
Yes.
Zaman sekolah, I was rapping and my friends
Oh, here.
at ISKL. So my friends in school that time, famous is Nelly, Chingy, Snoop Dogg.
Yeah.
So this group of girls gave me the name Caprice because I always wear cap. So Nelly, Chingy, and I always wear cap. Oh, you're Caprice. So my first talent show, the girls screamed Caprice. Sebab tu semua lagu Caprice awal-awal all about girls. So
Yeah.
the one that gave me the name was this
Girls.
in school. So I got stuck with the name. I ran with it. Till now lah.
Yeah. Thank you, girls.
Thank you,
Well,
ladies. Thank you, school friends.
Yeah, school friends.
Yeah.
School friends, good girlfriends. I'm sure. Yeah. School friends now.
Yeah.
Schoolmates.
That was getting a bit
Marah.
dangerous, Min.
Yeah. But it's okay.
It's
Kita semua dah
okay.
tahu, dah besar dah.
That was in the past when he was
Yeah.
really young.
So okay, so you pernah dapat terima threats and all that. Ada tak yang sampai macam, wow, itu ketak sekejap.
The ugutan bunuh shook things up. It was a real. Kita semua tahu, pihak kita semua tahu, it was a real ugutan bunuh. Sebab apa yang diorang mention dalam ugutan bunuh tu is real.
Wow.
Contoh kalau hater, F Caprice, kalau nampak you alambang you, banyak kali kita tak layan.
Faham lah.
Tapi dalam ugutan bunuh tu, they mention my chairman,
Oh, wow.
bank account dia dekat mana.
Maknanya dia dah buat,
Dia buat
Dia
research.
dah reki siapa yang belakang Caprice.
yes,
So kira orang dalam lah.
right.
Kalau you boleh reki siapa belakang Caprice, petik bank account number, bank dekat mana, business apa yang dia buat, yang orang umum tak tahu.
Yeah.
Orang umum tak tahu business apa dia buat. Tapi ugutan bunuh tu tahu business apa dia buat.
Tapi netizen sekarang,
No,
orang.
this is deep.
Okay.
Yeah, bank
Okay.
account kat mana?
Faham.
I mean,
Yeah.
you gotta. I mean, we also in the space. We
Yeah.
would investigate. We would know, right?
Yeah.
So they mentioned my family, ugutan bunuh, or my parents, my wife, my kids. For me, that was a line that was crossed,
Yeah.
and it shook the family, but it made me more marah to face them. I Cap jenis yang kalau dapat ugutan, Cap cari orang tu. Cap bukan jenis yang nak tunggu polis ke.
Yeah.
Polis banyak kerja.
You don't back off lah.
I don't back off because the threat has been made.
Yeah.
Faham tak? I'm
Yeah.
a public figure. I akan pergi heavy one day. I akan pergi pickleball with my son one day.
Yeah.
I'm a public figure.
Yeah.
So kalau you buat ugutan bunuh to a public figure,
Yeah.
the only thing I can do is find you.
Yeah.
And we
Right.
tried. I tried to correct kiri kanan. I sort of suspect who it is. But akhirnya orang tu tak muncul and tak nak jumpa Cap dekat scan.
Right.
Yeah, so.
Seram jugalah sebenarnya hidup dalam apa you punya situasi ni. So and also ada tak yang satu individu yang you interview tapi ramai orang salah judge dia.
We interview ramai.
Lepas tu orang condemn dia pula ke, contohlah orang salahkan dia ke, but misjudge this person.
Not really. Most of our cases kalau kita tegur sesuatu,
Selalunya mangsa.
atau mangsa, it's always based on fakta. Tapi most cases awal-awal orang akan kecam mangsa. I'll give an example. I don't mind saying it. PU Azman case. We bongkar PU Azman. Awal-awal tu semua marah kita, semua marah mangsa. Ni fitnah akhir zaman. Fitnah lah. PU tu baik. TV station ambil dia semua ni. Dia baik. And people kecam the mangsa. Akhirnya terbukti dihukum penjara more than 10 years.
Baik, okay lah, faham lah.
But awal-awal
Sebab dia disabitkan dengan kesalahan.
Tapi awal-awal orang kecam mangsa.
Right.
Yeah, same thing with Dai baru-baru ni. We interviewed the mangsa.
Right.
Ramai kecam mangsa. Sebab dia banyak fan base dia kan. So awal-awal memang ramai orang, tak boleh nafikan. Dari awal kita interview case ataupun ambil case ataupun interview mangsa, most cases awal-awal orang blame the victims ataupun the mangsa. Only now lah, selepas we have a good track record of proving many cases,
Yeah.
orang dah tak soal dah ke Priza. Oh, dia ambil kes Taska. Damn. Here we go. Right? So now it's a bit different lah.
Yeah.
Tapi dulu awal-awal kita start benda ni, memang ramai kecam ataupun marah ataupun blame the victim.
And then
Right.
penatnya pasal jangan sebar aib. You were so pissed about that.
yes.
You know how people are terlalu
You know what's
nak jaga
crazy?
aib.
Netizen Malaysia, they get angry when we cover a case, kata ni aib. I tell people this is jenayah.
Yeah, weh.
Beza.
Why you want to cover aib jenayah?
But on the flip side, right, you know what's crazy? Baru-baru ni ada artis gaduh di social media. Tak sebut nama dia lah. Do you follow that one?
Yeah, we did.
The big one. The artists where they fought each other.
Sekejap lagi cerita.
Okay.
But
Tapi I tahu, I
massive.
tahu.
But it's massive. We're talking
Yeah.
about trending on Threads, trending on Twitter, trending on news.
Do you need me to whisper this to you? Which one? Kejap.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yes,
Tahu, yes.
Gambar dekat club malam.
Yeah.
Gambar dekat club malam.
Yeah.
Video ada dekat club malam tengah.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm like, guys, that's aib.
Yeah, weh.
That's
Yeah,
aib.
yeah.
That's not jenayah.
Itu tak jenayah sebab
Itu
dia tak kacau
confirm
orang.
aib.
Dia tak kacau orang. Dia dosa sendiri je.
To aib. And everyone's talking about it and no one's like mad. Tak ada siapa pun marah macam, hey, boleh tak berhenti sebab aib? Everyone was talking about
Yeah.
I side A. Oh, I sokong B. And in my side, I'm like, netizen Malaysia. Korang marah bila kita cover case berat. Kata this is aib. Tapi bila artis tengah tongking
Gaduh.
air minum ke, dadah ke, skandal ke, satu Malaysia suka cerita. Dia macam goreng pisang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Semua nak makan goreng pisang.
Juicy
Yeah.
kan?
Juicy gossips.
Yeah.
But that one okay. Tapi when it comes to
Tapi when you
cover
nak
case,
bagi tahu pasal jenayah, it's aib. Jangan
so-
sebar aib.
Pasal I tak tahu benda-benda ni sebab I tak cari gosip. I don't read
No,
them.
because we are a platform. So
I know.
sampai
So it
kita.
comes. Yeah.
Tolong siasat video ni. Is this artist betul dia?
Yeah.
You know, I'm like, guys, ni bukan jenayah.
Yeah.
So kita
I
siasat.
ada nampak tak selalu tapi I tak tahu pucuk
And-
pangkal. I
and
tak
I
pergi
knew it
dive
because
in.
friends would call, apa cerita pasal ni? I'm like, who? Apa cerita? I don't know. But I go on Threads to find out what's it about. And I'm like, okay, this is so
Jangan kita
ugly.
kena buat
No, but I won't
Ah,
lie.
no, no.
But I won't
Kita-
lie. I won't
kita
lie.
jangan buat ulasan lah.
It's interesting to read. It's like a new sitcom. It's like a series on TV. Now you watch
Yeah.
series. I'm like, oh, wasn't this update about this artist? Dia akan tengok.
Faham. Bila tahu je, okay. Lepas tu I akan lupa.
Yeah. Tak mau ambil tahu.
Yeah,
Tak mau ambil tahu.
Tu aib.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's aib.
Yes.
Yeah, I tak ambil tahu. I don't,
Okay
I
lah,
don't want to.
biarkan dia.
Yeah, biarkan. Cerita tu biarkan.
Cuma sekarang ni mungkin, okay, apa nak, you dah face a lot of things, right? You dah deal banyak cases dengan netizen as well.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Apa you harap netizen ubah sekarang ni?
Actually, kita tak harap apa-apa kepada netizens. And kita tak perlu harap pun. They will be themselves, right?
Yes.
We cannot change the noise.
What would be nice?
Honestly, if more people open up their eyes to understand that akhir zaman ni, benda yang baik memang
Susah nak nampak kan?
Akan disalah erti.
yes.
They will
And
misunderstand
orang
that.
yang mungkin jahat tapi nampak baik will always get away with things. We hope that masyarakat makin lama akan tengok the title and the outfit.
Image.
It does not mean anything.
Yes.
Betul?
SPRM baru tangkap seorang Tan Sri yang pakar syariah banking.
Yeah.
Pakar ni, he's like the number one. He's in the number one advisor. He's in the Bank Negara groups. SPRM just remanded him for a 300 million scam.
Dude, that's a
300 million.
lot.
And he's like the go-to guy for everything Sharia related in Malaysia and the world. It's a renowned person. So even that can can fail us.
Yeah.
Kita berharap untuk become a great advisor for Sharia punya issues, and then here you are being caught for SPRM. Kita berharap Tafiz ni tempat yang selamat untuk orang belajar pasal agama. Tapi dalam kat Tafiz tersebut ada kes liwat, ada kes bully, ada kes liwat antara lelaki dan lelaki. So it's not always what it seems. So I hope that hopefully masyarakat Malaysia can start opening up their eyes more. That it's not always what it seems.
Yes, faham? Okay. Gali dulu sebelum nak tinggalkan apa-apa komen yang negatif lah, I would say. And try to see the good side of things.
Yeah.
And also, siapa orang yang paling you adore atau yang bagi banyak inspirasi kepada you? Yang you pernah interview? Ada tak? Someone that you look up to selain daripada orang yang you kena macam siasat?
That's a tough
Tak ada.
one. But we always interview like Mangsa or
Faham? Or maybe someone to...
I look up to.
Fine. Yang you tak pernah interview lagi. Maybe orang tu you look up to tapi tak pernah dapat interview dia lagi.
That's a good question.
Okay, we'll come back to that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will come
So
back.
ada tak apa-apa case yang betul-betul affect you emotionally? Which case yang paling
Taska.
yang baru-baru ni?
Yeah, yang
Oh,
baru
that
ni.
That one really hurt lah.
Yeah.
When we saw the video of budak autistic berkurung in that room, it broke me apart. My whole team broke. Like we just sat there like, "Wish, why is this happening? Like, at what point of our life do we have the desire ataupun tiba-tiba nak letak seorang budak yang tak boleh defend himself. Dia balik rumah pun tak boleh beritahu mak hari ni I dikurung dalam bilik store. He's autistic.
Yeah.
He can't speak.
Non-verbal.
He's non-verbal.
non-verbal.
He just hums, right? And so the day that benda ni dah terbongkar, ibu dapat tahu siapa, the ibu brought the son to my office and I saw him. He just moving and I did a high five with him. I'm like, yo, let's play a game. And he's playing this thing with me. He's playing like a and at that point I broke down. My staff saw me broke down. I'm like, guys, he can't even tell me.
Yeah.
He can't even tell me he was in a room yang gelap. He can't tell me. He's just having fun with me. He can't even tell me.
Can't even tell you whether he's sad or cry or
Nothing,
sad or happy.
nothing, but he was in that room dalam gelap.
Dalam gelap
Dalam gelap. And we don't know sebab he's been going there for 4 years. He's been going there for 4 years. Kita tak tahu berapa kali budak ni dikurung dalam bilik store tu for the past 4 years. We don't know. It could have been for 1 year. It could have been every week. It could have been 3 times a week. It could have been the whole time. We don't know. Tapi can you imagine that he can't even tell me the real story? So
Yang peliknya, kes Taska ni ataupun penjagaan ke apa pengasuh ke amar ke whatever you want to call it, terlampau banyak sangat dah.
correct.
And how come until today nothing has been done to really try to bedungkan kes ni supaya lebih strict ataupun tak jadi lagi? Why?
I blame the system. I blame red tape from JKM ke to Kementerian Pendidikan ke. There's so many lack of enforcement that it takes benda yang viral baru diorang bertindak. Viral bertindak. Tapi yang paling lagi seram sebenarnya lah, kita bongkar kes autistic tu on this date. Dah viral dah.
Okay.
That Taska dah tahu dah viral, tapi mak tu tak cam lagi yang anak dia tu anak dia. Can you imagine? Dah viral dah. The next day, when the mom saw the video,
Yeah.
dia dah hantar anak dia kat Taska tu. Dia boleh lepas dah tengok video, dia pergi balik ke Taska sambil bawa phone lah. Dia pergi terja. Normally dia tak boleh masuk dalam.
Dah viral ni.
Dah viral dah ni.
Yeah.
That if I was a Taska, I would be afraid.
Yes.
Okay, I'll be like,
Yeah.
oh damn.
Especially, mak dia sampai tu.
Yeah, anytime.
Yeah.
But they were so arrogant. I don't know what kind of dumb arrogance they had. Alhamdulillah, the mom saw the video. She went back to Taska with a phone.
Yeah.
Mana anak I? She went upstairs, opened the door. The son was bogel. The only budak kat Taska tu bogel. Bogel, fully bogel. The mom was so angry. No one else dalam bilik tu. Bilik tu, there's so many kids. Can you imagine how unhygienic it is?
Yes.
Yeah.
Bukan untuk
And embarrassing too.
yeah,
For
exactly.
how old is he?
maybe it's
At least,
7, 6.
yeah, at least somewhere there because it was 4 years ago dia dah pergi kan.
Yeah. So apa? The mom was like, kenapa anak saya bogel?
Yeah.
And the teacher would say, oh sebab dia memang suka bogel. But the mom was
Doesn't
like, in
make
my
sense.
home tak pernah
Yeah.
pernah bogel.
Yeah.
Tiba-tiba macam ni pula. So the truth is, yang bermasalah is not just a system. Memang orang-orang yang buka taskar ni ataupun admin ataupun cikgu tak tahu mana dia orang.
Itulah I cakap dia tak ada certificate ke, dia tak ada certain qualification ke.
Some of them have, Yasmin. I just feel human nature. Some of us we are so stupid. Like we become stupid. I don't know what to say because benda dah viral.
Yeah.
If I'm a criminal or orang jahat, I will make sure the next day semua benda akan kemas. Takut JKM terjah.
Ya,
Saya takut
CCTV
dinamis.
segala
Yeah.
benda.
So I would make sure that everything is clean. Supaya terjah lah kat kantoi. Ni masuk, mak ni yang masuk. Anak bogel, bilik bersepah. That means there must been some sort of arrogance from the top level of boss ni ada kabel. Apa kita ni.
Apa agaknya yang aktiviti yang sampai diorang boleh okeykan benda tu semua?
Exactly.
Apa dia? What is it? What is the agenda?
doesn't make
And that is
sense.
why we fight this kind of thing. That's sebab
Right.
kita rajin bersuara. Bukan sebab kita semata-mata nak selamatkan budak tu. Yes, kita nak selamatkan budak tu.
Yeah.
Tapi yang paling penting, macam mana orang yang ada otak, orang dewasa yang ada otak ni, yang pandai berniaga. Tak boleh, they are smart.
I tak faham kenapa dia tak ada common sense. Smart and having common sense is two different things.
More than 200 outlets. 1,000 per head per month. We're talking about revenue. Revenue of about 12 million a month moving. 12 million ringgit a month moving. Right? If I'm a businessman, I would make it like Sunway or Oxford. I would find a good system,
Yeah.
great teachers, invest back in the teaching, invest back in training, invest in good cleaners yang every 3 hours can just masuk cuci something, a system, something. Supaya kita boleh bina that brand to become the best.
The best
The
that you
best
can ever find in
for
Malaysia.
kids.
Yes.
Like Miss Rachel punya benchmark in terms
Yes.
of energy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tapi sebab kita ni minta maaf lah cakap orang Melayu ni nak kaya raya.
Nak kaya cepat.
Nak kaya cepat, nak kaya
that's
raya.
a problem.
Nak kaya raya nak bergaya. Nak kaya nak bergaya. Nak
Yeah.
kaya nak bergaya.
And tak peduli lah. Benda-benda lain semua tak peduli
Janji
lah.
handbag new mahal, janji pergi cuti every year.
Janji kereta besar.
Kereta besar,
Yeah.
rumah besar. Tapi you forgot you punya matlamat. Matlamat you can get that richness. You boleh bercuti kereta besar, LV handbag. Steve Jobs otherwise is rich. Apple is rich. Nike is rich. Balenciaga is rich. All this
Tapi
brands.
diorang lagi simple.
Sunway Group is rich. YTL is rich.
Yeah.
Tapi kenapa kita ni orang Melayu bila kita kaya ni, kita macam lupa diri. Sebab sebenarnya you boleh jadi lagi kaya.
Yeah.
If you focus on your main matlamat, which should be from the beginning,
Yes.
giving the best service for children,
Yes.
giving the best service
For people.
for kids.
Yeah.
If that was your kiblat, trust me, you will be more kaya.
Betul.
But somewhere along the lines, they cut costs. Makanan pun cak ayam punya makanan. Nak cut cost, nak margin tinggi, so kita untung lagi besar. Nak kaya. Apa yang the bed sheet ataupun
Cadar.
ni dah lama tak tukar, let's not change. Let's just leave it how it is. Tak perlu tukar. Save cost.
Cuci je.
Ya, cuci je. Maize mungkin maize punya cuci recycle
Yeah.
once a day ke
Yeah.
twice a week. We don't know.
Yeah, yeah.
Tapi if they really invested back in the business and focus on their kiblat, which is giving kids the best service, I think none of it would happen. People will be the system, kebersihan dijaga, makanan dijaga, and cikgu-cikgu tu macam Miss Rachel, hi guys, hi, how are you?
Yeah.
Let's go. No, I have a son.
Yes.
When my son is moody, I become like a clown.
Ya betul.
But that's automatically because by watching Miss Rachel and what my son like to watch, I know automatically I kena buang segala stress dalam hidup I. I'm stressed with work. My son is moody. I gotta be a clown right now. Hi, Ariel. You want to go to the park? Yeah. Padahal I ada bill nak bayar, lawyer tak bayar lagi.
Faham.
Ada orang baru kecam kita. I'm
Yeah.
like for that brief 1 hour, I'm a clown. You want to go to the park? Let's go to the park.
The amount of things that we have to do
But I'm not
to
even
be
a teacher.
goofy. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
I'm not even paid to do this.
Yeah.
Because you have common sense, basic psychology.
Yeah, but I feel like it's a comfort zone. Apabila kita kena layan budak hari-hari macam tu,
Yeah.
kita fall into comfort zone.
Then lessen the kids assigned to a few teachers.
Yeah, ataupun have a
Shift.
You can handle kids for maximum 3 hours because based on our research,
Yeah.
kita boleh tahan budak nangis for 3 hours. More than that, kita naik angin.
Betul. Kita jadi panas.
Untuk elak naik angin, shift, move. Poop. You take a rest, take a breathe, go out.
Maknanya you tak pandai tackle masalah also.
So
Bukannya kita nak kena hadap.
Kepada taskar kat luar sana, if you need a consultant, we have a group of friends that will love to help you because we love children. At least kalau once you dah find out the system, the SOPs, how to
Senang lah kot
how
lagi.
you go hire a interior designer, source out barang-barang dekat China yang murah tu. China is advanced now. Dia
Yeah,
bukan
yeah.
Cak Ayam punya barang.
Yes.
Ada yang lawa. Source out benda-benda bahan-bahan yang sesuai untuk kanak-kanak that can be interchangeable every 12 months. For example,
Yes, correct.
Once
Because
you
they
got-
get bored.
yeah, once you have a cool SOP, you have a cool training, you have a nice ID, baru buat franchise.
Oh, buat partner dengan lagi satu. They swap.
Baru buat franchise.
Swap.
Baru-
Gerakkan the toys.
Yes, baru buat franchise.
Faham?
Macam if I want to open McD today,
Yeah.
there's a law, procedure kena macam mana.
Nama pun franchise. Ada
Yes.
sistem.
Yes.
The meja kena meja macam mana. And
colour.
Dia, burger dia macam mana. There's a strict SOP. So if
Yes.
you want to open a franchise Tasca or Tadika, find out, lock down the SOP, and then you franchise.
Stick to
It's not
it.
that hard. Honestly,
Yeah.
I look at the Tasca, I'm like, how dumb must you be to not even jaga kebersihan? Nama pun agama. Sorry to say,
That's
they
basic,
have an
though.
Islamic
Yeah.
name.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
And the profile is Islamic Montessori.
Yeah.
Tapi basic kebersihan dah gagal. Kita ambil wuduk 5 times a day.
Ya.
Sepatutnya kita lah paling pakar kebersihan.
Kebersihan. Betul.
Kita
Orang
patut-
pandang kat kita
orang-
dulu.
Orang Melayu ni sepatutnya jadi pakar kebersihan. Nama sekolah pun Islamic.
Betul?
Tapi bila you masuk dalam sekolah tersebut, kebersihan ke laut. Macam mana tu? How?
Yeah,
There's a
tapi-
video of the office. It's just berterabur. There's the toilet with like cicak punya
I know, tak
shit.
cicak semua bersepah, right?
Like what happened to the kebersihan? Right? So,
Bukan susah, jigus je.
I mean,
It will fall down anyway. It's so easy.
It's not that hard.
Yeah.
It's just, for me, pendapat Caprice, there was never a proper SOP. And the founder of this Tasca, dia orang lupa matlamat mereka.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
So-
selalu nak save duit lah. So
Yeah.
tak hire proper teachers, proper cleaners pun in fact.
With all of this happening and then you being who you are, how do you protect your son from the netizen in the social media?
I mean, netizens, kita my whole family.
Dulu I tahu dia orang pernah usik anak
but
you.
For me, kita dah jadi kebal bab netizens lah. We become like a tank. Every time we see comment section, we just scroll. It doesn't really affect us anymore. Sebab makin
Kau
lama,
tak tahu dah.
yeah, honestly, like
It doesn't affect you anymore.
zero.
They're like the weeds.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't matter. And I think my son is like, a mirror of me. I think he'll be strong the way he is and how he is. So inshallah, okay.
Apa yang orang selalu salah faham pasal you, Caprice?
I don't know, man. People think kita ni poyo. I think it's my
Okay.
accent. Ada orang dulu kata, oh Caprice ni sibuk ambil case. Dia orang lupa yang orang dah target kita.
Yeah.
Bukan cap cari masalah. I have a kerja hakiki.
Yeah.
Everyday job. So,
Ingat senang ke nak handle masalah orang?
Yeah, and-
Banyak hal you sendiri, you tak ada kerja yang kena fikir.
100%. So
Yeah.
orang fikir cap ni apa suka ulas apa ambil jaga kain tapi apa sih?
Tepi kain orang.
Kain orang.
So those are the common things people throw at me. Tapi makin lama kita dah kebalang sebab we know what we're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, stick to what you believe, what you want to do, the purpose of everything.
Yeah. So
I think
I'm
you'll
gonna
be
speak how
doing
I speak.
fine. Yeah,
Kita,
yeah.
Alah, kenapa ada slang poyo cakap? I'm like, guys,
Biarlah,
this
it's
is who I
you.
am.
Yeah, that's you.
Kalau siapa kenal cap dari zaman rap, lagi teruk. Time tu I can't even speak Malay.
Lagi, bukannya dia sampai ada tersasul. Dia tengok dia cakap Melayu negori ke, dia tersasul. Tak ada pun. Dia konsisten macam ni.
Yeah. Tapi alhamdulillah now I can speak more bahasa. Tapi
Yeah.
siapa-siapa kenal cap dari dulu lagi, there was like zero bahasa. Itu lagi poyo lah.
I wouldn't say poyo lah.
No,
I mean,
it does.
you are living your life.
Netizens
Can you
lah.
imagine? You
Netizens
are
yang
living your
fahamkan.
life dengan background apa yang you ada, experience you ada,
Orang tak
membesar kat
faham.
mana. Yeah, that's why.
Yeah.
Tapi orang tak faham. So kita penat. That's why I said this is what I meant. Apa yang you nak berbeza daripada netizen ataupun what do you wish something different from them actually from people?
I wish nothing. Honestly,
Faham? Sebab you nak manage your expectation.
yeah. Not only that, I don't want to put a benchmark for something I cannot control.
Or advice?
And I can't
Nothing.
control it. Yeah.
Faham?
For me, it's like I can't. I like to be in control of everything. Benda yang cap tak boleh control,
Buat tak tahu.
I buat.
Let it go.
There you go. I can't control that the kecaman.
Tak
but
perlu
I can
dah.
control how I look at it.
React.
How you react to it.
How you-
Yeah.
yeah.
So now we don't react. Dulu
How you
I-
respond.
Yeah. Dulu I used to respond. Now it's like scroll. Next one.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Betul?
I mean,
Bagus.
now we're at the level of ugutan bunuh. So,
Yeah.
so that's where we are now.
Itu paling kecil lah. Itu tak.
Anything like kepis poyo,
Whatever.
Okay. So
I'm dealing with death
I'm
threats right
dealing
now.
with death threat right now, guys.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
come back to you one day.
Yeah.
Or come up with something new.
Yeah.
You know, aku dah dapat poyo ni dapat berapa belas
kan?
tahun dah.
Yeah.
Alah poyo, Kat ni cakap dengan slang semua.
Yeah.
She's here dah.
Yeah. Or the Munafik Hunter by the Poyo guy or whatever. Orang tu dia cakap apa?
Yeah.
Aku memang Poyo.
What to do?
Whatever.
Kan?
Yeah.
Aku pendek tapi aku boleh tinggi lagi. You know what I mean? Kalau dah Poyo lah. That's who I am, you know?
We are
anyways.
talking about death threats like it's nothing today.
I
Because
know,
it's coming
right?
from Caprice.
Yeah.
I sebut betul dah ya? Caprice. Yeah. Cuba kalau hari lain tak berani kita cakap pasal ni. Tak berani.
Berlapik juga lah. Berlapik. Tapi kita fikir yang penting
today.
sebenarnya niat kita semua adalah baik dekat sini.
Yes.
Okay? You nak cakap Poyo terserah. You nak cakap kita
Yeah.
jahat terserah. Tapi semua niat baik.
Betul. And we
Okay.
also hope yang kita punya interview dengan Caprice hari ni somehow membuka mata orang kat luar sana yang probably doesn't understand who Caprice is, what's he doing, you know, and why him. So hopefully you guys get a gist of
Kalau ada yang tak kenal lagi.
Kalau
lah.
dia tak kenal
Rasa
lah.
mustahil.
And korang-korang yang marah macam apa salah. I don't know why people call him Topi Nasi is the direct translation of Caprice.
Rice, yeah.
Cap Rice kan Topi Nasi. Okay. So to all of you that's been wondering apa salah Mamat ni suka sangat masuk campur, now you know. If dia tak masuk campur, kita maybe dah lost one important person to mengadu masalah-masalah besar. Okay?
You know what? Actually, I selalu cakap benda ni. I
Yeah.
cakap orang jangan busybody dengan hal gosip artis.
Yeah.
Tetapi busybody dengan hal kanak-kanak dekat luar sana.
Yeah.
Ini yang I cakap, kita dah ada tokoh.
Yeah, betul.
Actually yang buat benda macam tu. Sebab kadang-kadang bila I can't help but notice, bila duduk dekat mana food court ke mana-mana, wherever we go, kita tengok mak tu macam, diam lah.
Yeah.
Berapa kali dia cakap. Kalau in public dia dah berani buat macam tu kat rumah.
Betul.
Macam
Imagine kat rumah.
Yeah.
So I will give a cock stare.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
I akan pandang, jadi buat in public, you cannot stop.
you do that?
I do that.
That's very
I give a cock stare, pandang cinta, pandang makan, sampai pandang Usha. Nak tengok dia gelabah ke tidak. Kalau dia tak gelabah, dia berani. Budak tu lagi.
Kalau
kesian.
kat rumah tu apa
So
lagi.
my ex-husband dulu pernah cakap, jangan sibuk hal orang. Ini bukan hal orang, ini hal budak tu. Maybe that is a sign untuk dia sebenarnya trying to reach out to us, but we're ignoring it.
Yeah.
We are probably the first person yang nampak orang lain yang ignore. Kita boleh buat something.
Unfortunately, it's taboo.
Yeah.
It's taboo.
Within the community. yeah.
Bayangkan ada budak sampai keluar tingkap, tunjuk ada sign,
Yes,
nota
yes, yes,
help
yes.
me or whatever. Sampai
tolong
macam
saya,
tu, come
betul,
on,
betul,
you know.
betul, yeah.
So be busybody dengan keselamatan budak-budak
Yeah.
lain, dengan mental health budak-budak lain. Semua perhatikan
Yeah.
pasal how they are being treated.
Yeah.
I dah jumpa banyak sangat.
I agree dengan apa Yasmin cakap. Starting from today, korang tak payah sibuk artis mana bergaduh dengan siapa. Tarik rambut siapa because it doesn't make a difference in life kita. It doesn't even
Tak
benefit
tambah baik,
us.
tak tambah baik hidup kita
Tak
pun.
menambahkan apa benefit. Tapi be alert dengan your surroundings. Your neighbour, children, your
Anjing,
friends.
kucing, binatang yang
Betul.
terbengkalai, tertinggal ke whatever ke yang kena dera, especially budak-budak kena dera, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so
Okay.
kita akan berehat seketika. Selepas ini kita akan ke segmen kita-kita aja. Mungkin ada cerita lagi yang si Caprice ni tak cerita.
Tapi sambil-sambil tu, please like, comment and subscribe to Min and Kat on TikTok and on Instagram. Kita jumpa sekejap lagi.
YouTube tu lah.
Yelah. Okay guys, we are back dalam segmen kita-kita aja whereby kita akan tanya Caprice benda-benda yang orang tak tahu but we want to know it here.
It
Okay?
can be exclusive
Yeah.
ataupun benda yang tak pernah share before.
Yes. So why not? We'll do that, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. I'll ask the first question right now. Maybe you could share with us comments pasal netizens. You know, something yang they said to you which probably hurt you and you rasa macam, oh, I cannot breathe this, I cannot do this right now.
That no one knows,
That no one knows. Yeah.
but I'm very public. Everyone finds out. If it really hurts me,
Yeah.
then I reply.
Maybe ada something that-
contoh lah,
Yang you paling
Yeah.
ingat.
yang paling teruk when someone call my son BABI.
I ingat masa tu I pun
my
panas.
God.
I pun panas hati.
Yeah, but in retrospect, tindakan kami agak kasar lah. We look for the guy. The mom beritahu who did it.
Yeah.
He came and said sorry lah, but I remember that day lah. It was a bit over lah. He called BABI and then
You expose kan that boy kan?
of course,
Yeah.
of course.
I think I remember.
Hell yeah. Most of my things that I orang akan tahu lah. I've never kept.
Yes,
When
good.
it comes to like angry people, I always put the spotlight back at them. Macam nak
Right
kecam-
back at you.
Nak kecam kita, okay, stand by, screenshot you.
Yeah.
Hi Malaysia, this guy called my son BABI. Muka macam I forgot like anjing. I forgot. It was really bad lah.
Yeah.
And the best part is it was not a fake account. That means this guy.
Oh,
Yeah, it was
wow.
real account. So
Ronnie.
this guy's he's brave enough to say that. So I put the spotlight back on him. It is what it is lah.
I remember. Yeah, dia jumpa your wife sekali. So semua. Yes, I
My
remember.
wife was
so
super angry.
Yeah.
furious.
Mom, I know.
Yeah.
As a husband, maybe I should have held her back a bit more. Apa? Ataupun don't show everything kepada umum.
Yeah.
But I terupload segala benda secara umum. But my wife, obviously as a mother,
Yeah.
panggil anak ni baru lahir kot. Berapa? How many months was it? Still fresh.
The thing is budak tu comel kot. Kan?
Yeah.
Ya, dia comel kot. So, itu sengaja nak sakit hati je lah.
Yeah.
But anyways, okay. So, pernah tak rasa you overstep dalam satu-satu isu? Saya dah terlajak, ni dah lebih sangat dah ni. And how do you pull the handbrake kan?
Yeah.
Oh, you tak pernah nak pull handbrake pun. Sebenarnya orang yang suruh you pull handbrake. Dia tak pernah tak ada handbrake.
He
That's the
doesn't
problem.
do
I
handbrake.
don't do handbrakes.
Dia ada downhill cart. Dia tak ada handbrake langsung.
Once I commit, I commit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bungee jump lah, babe. Wah, okay.
His
What
vehicle
comes, what
does
Yes.
not come with handbrakes.
Yeah. No handbrakes there, unfortunately.
Berani.
Yeah.
That's ballsy, I would say.
Okay, when you go for holidays, vacations, ada tak anything mystical that happens? Something scary yang you guys not share? Something with the family
That
when
people
you
don't know
are.
about.
Yeah, something.
People don't know about.
Yeah.
That we go on holidays.
The mystic tu. Oh.
I tell my wife to not show.
Right, faham?
We just travel. Like we go to airport. We go away from Malaysia for a while and come back. No one knows.
So itu paling mystic lah tu.
Bukan mistake. Kira orang yang tak tahu.
Paling
Hanya
secret
orang tak
lah.
tahu lah.
Yeah,
Faham?
Top secret.
Bagi cab orang tak perlu tahu.
Yeah.
Bagi saya itu stress free tau. Tak payah nak fikir content siut.
Betul kan?
Sebenarnya, but at the same time, macam you nak memory tapi macam
Tak payah decide about which reels to do,
Yes.
what music to use.
My wife uploaded our Paris holiday a year after we went to Paris.
What?
Ah. Oh
Yeah.
wow.
And I've never uploaded. I like it like private.
Oh.
I actually never uploaded. We went to Paris.
Right. Okay.
Contoh lah. I mean,
Yeah.
But for me, those kind of things, I like to keep it sacred lah. That's all I have. Segala benda dah public.
Ya, betul. Certain things you nak
Kalau-
simpan lah.
Yeah. So apabila I have sacred moments, I keep it here.
So, pengalaman mistik. Hantu ke,
Yeah.
apa ke.
Anything scary?
First hand experience or
Spooky. When I say
family.
scary, it's spooky.
Okay.
Okay.
Dulu, Cap kerap pergi berubat dekat Darul Shifa.
Oh.
Ah.
Yo, yang selalu international,
Hip-hop,
hip hop rapper.
Crazy. Can you
Lalas, lepas tu you baca, Ustaz.
Yes. You know what's crazy story? Okay. This is a crazy story. All my artist friends back then faham lah sebab time tu kita kerap pergi berubat. Okay.
Kerap kan?
Yes. Okay. By the way, I'm hip hop.
Yeah.
Lagi-lagi lah kita sekolah international. So the last thing on my mind is spiritual. Okay.
Right,
Yeah.
faham?
Okay. So my career in music was slowly booming. And then I fell into anxiety. I ada masalah anxiety, kena buka ubat tidur, susah nak tidur, always anxious. Okay, that's normal, scientific when
I
you're
remember that, okay.
One day, this person brought me to his mom who can sense things.
Okay.
Macam boleh sense lah.
Right.
Saya kawan you ni kena berubat. I said, what? Masa berubat? I'm here like hip hop, 100%.
Ada banyak ubat anxiety,
Yeah.
ubat ni, ubat tu.
Have anxiety problem, tak boleh tidur. No, dia kena berubat. So I went to ustaz. There wasn't Darul Shifa yet.
Okay.
Dia kena see, hey santau ni. Ada orang tak suka you ni
Naik.
dalam bidang muzik, dia buat you sekarang ni. So pergi dah berubat. So that fasa went on for about 7 years, off and on.
Wow.
No one knows. No one knows.
Penatnya, oh my God. Seriously? So this is the first time ever you are
First time.
sharing?
But my artist friends no. Because
Oh, lampu red alert.
kita pernah drive from KL to Terengganu just to see this one ustaz. You
Baik tak?
got Daya Bakar coming later?
Yeah.
Her abang drove me.
Why?
See.
You can ask later. We drove. We drove. Can you imagine? That's good friendship lah.
Right.
Dia nampak I macam makin kurus. So they're like, yo, stop performing. We're gonna drive to this one famous ustaz in Terengganu. So kita gerak pagi, drove all the Terengganu. This is the funny part though. Berapa jam to Terengganu? 6 hours?
6
Yeah,
boleh?
six, yeah.
Depends, yeah.
We gerak 12 midnight. We arrive at 6. had breakfast with the family, and then Ustaz has one room, ruqyah.
Berubat,
whatnot. I went there, the ruqyah, dia baca, forgot surah, I don't know, Yasin kot.
Yasin.
And put in the water, and that was it.
That was it?
Listen on. So I didn't want to disappoint my friends
Right.
because we drove all the way there. So we got that. I feel bad saying this.
No, it's okay.
So you know
Share.
how we drove 6 hours?
Yes, you rasa macam kena scam. You tak berani nak
But I
cakap.
don't want to say it.
Ya, Pak. Itu perasaan. Itu
they don't know.
perasaan.
They
Itu
don't know.
perasaan.
They don't know till
Yes,
today.
yes. Faham? Oh,
They
dia orang tak
should know
tahu. Oh,
today.
dia tak tahu
So-
apa jadi dalam bilik tu.
Dia tak tahu.
No, we all know. Ramai yang tengah tengok cat kena ruqyah.
Okay.
So, waktu kena minum air
Yasin tu.
Sebab
Oh my god, Afsal bau busuk eh?
No,
Ke apa?
no, no.
Okay. I'm like, my brain is everywhere now.
I terpaksa buat macam, oi panas.
Oh, kena berlakon. Kena acting
Sebab-
sikit.
We drove all the way there. I felt like if I
Kita nak
don't,
macam kosong-kosong.
if I like, man, there's nothing.
Uh-uh.
We drove all the way here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For nothing.
But they were the one yang introduce yang
Yeah.
Yeah,
yang
so I was
propose.
like, yo guys, it's really hot, guys. I can't breathe. I'm like, yo, shit. I feel so bad.
And
dude.
your friends will know today.
They find out today after like 10 years. With,
Dude, baik siapa?
no, but I felt bad. I felt the ruqyah was empty.
Tak apa.
The
Yeah.
ruqyah was, I didn't feel anything. Tapi the ustaz was very semangat. So everyone was so serious looking at me like this. I'm like, man, nothing is really happening right now.
You didn't feel anything. You
But
honestly
sometimes you
didn't
don't have to
No,
terus.
but I
Yeah.
felt like I didn't want to disappoint my friends.
Faham.
The drag.
So you put up a show.
I put up a show at the drinking part. Oh guys, it's hot. Oh, panas guys. I cannot. Guys, minyak cek apa? Guys.
Lagi lah panas, gila.
So then we rested. We rested at the house for a bit. I slept. And we drove back to KL. Then we drove
Dia
back to KL.
berlakon. You put up a show.
I'm sorry guys. Hayat, sorry.
Tak, okay, you know what sebenarnya? Caprice risau yang korang rasa itu adalah satu pengorbanan yang besar and then
Yes.
there's nothing tak
to show for.
ada result.
But in all seriousness, ni pendapat Cap lah lepas
Yeah.
7 tahun nak balik Darushifa jumpa banyak ustaz lah. I realise kalau kita percaya sesuatu tu, we're giving it more
Energy.
The moment we
We
give
feed
it more attention,
Yeah.
we are giving it actually more power
Yeah.
over you.
Yeah.
Yep.
What happened was one day I just got so fed up pergi berubat ni. Ruqyah. And mind you, ada banyak kali orang offer tempat yang
Oh, tempat ni lagi power, tempat ni lagi bagus.
Yang banyak power tu. Yeah, that's pelik. That's like syirik already.
Yeah.
Like that's
Yeah.
public
It is.
bomo.
Yeah.
We don't do this bomo stuff. Right?
Yeah.
If it's not ustaz, I'm not going. So 7 years back and forth, ustaz. Okay, it's just normal ruqyah. There's
Yeah.
nothing special, right? You drink. Sometimes they put lidi, a pen in between your toes. You feel painful, right? The one day I just got so fed up. Nak ulang balik Darushifa ke, ustaz datang rumah ke. At that time, at the peak of this berubat moment in my life, I would hear whispers before I sleep.
Really?
Oh.
Right, hallucination macam tu. Oh yeah?
Yeah, like,
Right.
I'm like,
But you can't make out.
I can't make it out.
Okay.
But that was the kira peak lah. Kat tak
Yeah.
pernah nampak hantu, tak pernah nampak bayang, tak pernah ni. I pernah kurus sebab for me tak makan, tak tidur, kurus lah.
Ya, kurus
They say,
lah. Tak tidur.
Ni santau, that's
Yeah.
why you skinny. So that one day I got fed up. I said, I don't believe it. I tak percaya dah pasal hantu ni. Like magic. Oof.
Disappear.
Done. Gone.
Nothing. I was performing.
You switch off.
I was just. There was no like whispers ataupun rasa berat macam tak boleh nafas. Kalau ada pun it's gastric, it's GERD. Because when GERD push against your chest, you can't breathe. You think heart
Yeah.
attack.
Yeah.
So I just start lining more scientific, and then that whole berubat fasa of my life ended right then and there.
There you
After
go.
7 years.
But that's why I believe, guys. Not to take away from people yang pernah kena sihir ke apa. You try, korang try. Stop giving it attention. For all you know, it disappears.
Yeah, you naikkan semangat you sendiri.
Yeah, because everything we say, correct me if I'm wrong, guys, is a doa.
Betul?
It is.
Betul? Yeah.
So the moment we keep saying, aku kena sihir, aku disantau, aku kena sihir, aku disantau,
Then automatically you believe in
all
it.
the stuff that comes around with sihir santau will come right at you.
Yeah, you
Whether it's
draw.
whisper, whether it's bayang-bayang, whether it's crick at night,
Betul.
it will come. Because you
Betul.
keep saying it. It's like a doa. Even if you don't say it, in your heart like, aku kena sihir ni, aku kena sihir ni, aku kena sihir.
Agree.
It's gonna come all the way for you sampai dia makan you.
Betul.
The moment you give it no attention, you give it less power, mungkin benda tu wujud.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I think kalau satu orang kat Malaysia ni patut kena sihir, it's caprice. You know how many
Faham?
cases
Yeah.
kita handle?
Betul.
You know how many cases yang kita handle yang buat ibu bapa orang lain, kalau pelaku masuk penjara, ibu bapa tu akan marah lah. Ni lah punca anak I dalam penjara. Dia yang viralkan anak I. Ambil contoh lah.
Ya, contoh.
If there's one person in Malaysia yang memang patut kena sihir ataupun kerap kena sihir, it would be Caprice. I'm the most vocal, the most outspoken. Sepatutnya kita dah tumbang dah. I mean, not touch wood, but you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
I don't want to ask for it, but
Yeah.
what I'm trying to tell the public is sometimes the more attention we give something, it's going to come much more stronger and it will control you.
Yeah.
So going back to the point of apa yang pasal sihir santau, 7 years. Pulang
Gila,
balik
lama.
baru Syifa. Yeah. And no one know because I was rapping, performing macam biasa. Puha happy. I looked very happy at that point in my life. But everyone around me know macam apa? Abang Daya. Oh, that was
7 years believing
7
it too.
years. Yeah. Sampai
Believing it
Long
too.
time.
yeah,
Lama
and going to
tu.
Terengganu just to go berubat. And I had to fake it because I felt bad. 6 hours drove and then dah habis balik KL. So I'm like, this is unfair.
Sebab ada je Darul Shifa dekat KL ni,
No,
ada
but
je
at
ustaz dekat
that
KL
time,
tu.
it was,
Masa tu
it was
tak ada
really
lagi,
bad,
kan?
and it's like we keep trying here and there. Macam tak ada kesan. So finally they had a friend of a friend yang kata kat Terengganu ni memang ramai yang berubat sana, artis pun pernah pergi sana. Yo, one time you will be good. So I felt really bad. So that's a confession. I'm sorry guys, but
Baik you cakap minat, oh dah sejuk.
I had to fake it so that it'd be more dramatic. That it's worth the 6 hours drive lah.
So that it'll be real.
Yeah, so that it's worthwhile the 6 hours
Lepas tu
drive.
kawan dia macam, tengok, jadilah.
Sorry that we had to make you burst your bubble though.
Sorry guys. That
Caprice
one
tadi rasa panas
happen.
minum air tadi.
It didn't work guys. I'm sorry.
Tak apa. We are the kita pula yang apa hantar. Apa munafik hantar pula. Kita pula yang dia dah Hanim dah we're exposing him
Oh
right
my
now.
God. Dia boleh put up a show. Caprice tadi jadilah. Jadi weh. Dia panas tadi minum
Okay
air.
lah, at least dia buang
Ya,
lah.
dia buang lah.
Okay.
And bawa tidur dalam kereta. Guys, I'm tired.
And your first confession after 10 years.
I think it's like
10 years
15.
ago. 10 years?
I think 15.
15? After 15 years.
Cerita ni
Only
panas.
on Min and Cat.
Sekarang ni dia orang yang kena pakai minyak cakapak pening sakit hati dia dengar ni.
Pening. Damn, Caprice tipu weh.
Okay, so bila stress dengan dunia online, right? When everything is stressing you out, what do you do to calm yourself down and say, I'm okay?
Yeah.
I mean, the generic answer would be zikir, right? Which I do practice. I mean, I carry wherever I go, I think. Oh yeah, I carry.
Oh,
Wherever I
okay,
go.
okay, you do.
Not to show off, but I do this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's a generic answer lah. But what I like to do as a family, I just tell my wife, pack your bags.
Let's go.
Oh no, my wife like, oh no, Aris, I need perempuan. I can bawa makeup. B, just pack your bags now, please.
Yeah.
Pack. I drive. Wherever I stop, we chill.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
I won't say where lah, nanti spoil lah.
Yelah,
my
yelah.
location.
But you'll
My
spend the
favorite-
night
my
somewhere.
favorite spot.
Yeah.
faham?
Sometimes it's a 4-hour drive. Sometimes it's a 5-hour drive.
It depends.
Whenever I'm stressed, I get away. Yeah.
Yang 4-hour drive tu faham. Kalau 5 hour tu dia dah masuk Terengganu. Pandai, memandai.
Tak tahu mak.
Memandai.
Bajet lah.
Bajet.
Dia tengok lah. Tapi kalau dia drive slow tu JB pun boleh 4 hours.
Betul juga.
betul juga.
It can be JB. It can be guys.
Can be kita bagi
Or if I
JB.
tell my wife, yo, get ready the passport.
Passport.
There you go. See? I
Yeah.
know
Yeah.
already. Dia lepas JB
Yes,
lah.
lepas
passport.
JB lah. 4
Kalau
hours, just
kalau
nice.
atas tak mungkin. Tak mungkin 4 jam. Tak lepas.
tak.
Tak lepas. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We get away.
Dia kan poyo.
Ya.
Dia suka macam, dia mesti nak pergi tempat yang, tak
Betul.
mungkin dia nak pergi pulau-pulau
Tak
kot.
mau lah, tak
Oh,
mau
you'll be
lah.
surprised. Something
Okay. Tak apa kejap lagi.
Kita find out,
Itu
kita find
untuk-
out.
Itu
Kita find
pula
out.
untuk kita-kita je. Itu untuk kita-kita je.
Okay. Aris. Oh, I'm going to call you Aris.
Yeah.
Oh, lain pula nak bunyi dia, Aris.
Aris.
What has Raya taught you now, ever since you dah, kahwin and you said you pakai baju, colour serondon, every day got its own colour. So what has Raya taught you now as an adult?
To appreciate the people, our family. Appreciate family.
Yeah.
Mungkin life move too fast. Kita tak ambil masa untuk appreciate kita punya abang, saudara, our nenek ataupun arwah.
Yeah.
So Raya is a time of appreciating our own siblings, our blood,
Right.
That's nice.
our community.
Dulu you salam tak raya dengan your family? You
All
cakap
the
diorang pakai t-shirt. Masih lagi bersalam bermaafan
Yeah.
lah. Okay.
It's just that we don't have the other formalities lah in terms of baju raya all that.
Yeah. But there's still a feast.
Oh, of course.
Yeah,
of
okay.
Course. It's just that Kelantan is a bigger feast. Because she has a bigger family.
Yeah.
So
Dia berapa orang adik-beradik dia?
Sedondon all.
Ramai because apa? I think the mom married the
The
family.
stepdads ah.
Yeah, so
Okay.
it's a huge family over there. Sana is like going to
Bankrupt are you raya ni?
Oof, all the time.
Bankrupt weh, balik kampung bankrupt
No,
sekejap.
but
raya.
I'm like, yo, B, this year, family gets it, and I'm out.
Oh my god, faham?
Kena pergi rumah ni, apa ni? I'm like, nah, B. Kena pergi rumah tu, I'm not, B. This is family.
This is it.
Yeah.
This is family.
The
Because I
immediate.
come from a very private, remember my family is very
Yeah,
private.
yes.
So I like to keep it this, like, B, this is cool. I don't mind being myself around this.
Yeah.
Everything else is like a formality lah. I go, I show face, enjoy.
Yeah.
Oh, but I have to ask this. Bila you balik Kelantan with your wife, you're celebrated there, of course, right? So how do you deal with that kind of fame? You know, balik kampung masa raya and everyone, Capri!
Lepas tu dia dengan slang.
masa raya kan?
Slang dia orang lagi corporate.
Cap, nak sign, Cap. Mesti macam tu,
No,
kan?
actually, the first year maybe yes.
Yeah.
Because just got married to Ellis, right?
Yeah.
Maybe we see that. Second year a bit more, but third, fourth dah macam dah family dah. So there is like I can be myself lah with them.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. Raya taught me more about family.
Ramai ke peminat you dekat Kelantan? Oh Kelantan kan? Macam mana dia nak rap ikut yang awak macam pelik kan?
It's like there, I enjoy I like the community there. They're very everyone knows everyone.
Welcoming.
in Kelantan,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
For some
yeah.
reason, Kelantan is like everyone knows everyone.
Yeah. We know everybody.
Yeah, so it's like
Besar pula tu Kelantan.
Besar,
Yeah,
but we know everybody.
yeah.
Yeah, somehow. I don't know how, but yeah.
Yeah.
Kepoci lah.
It's like a big family.
Kepoci.
Bukan.
Dia macam
Family ke related?
Ni siapa? Oh ni lah
Yes.
anak Ramlinya
Yes.
cucunya Tok
They can
Yaakob.
put it.
Yes.
They can put it like from different
Betul.
keturunan.
The hierarchy
Different-
semua.
yeah,
Yang
the
ada
hierarchy.
kucing oyen tu yang sebelah
Yeah.
rumah dia yang makcik
Yeah.
ada
The family
tinggi gigi
tree.
je.
You know
tu.
what's
family
crazy?
tree, yeah.
Crazy. We were having on the way back after Raya, like we followed a back road, and I wanted roti canai. So we stopped at a random roti canai punya
Yeah.
kedai,
Yeah.
So this one pakcik kept ushering me like the whole time. I'm eating. I'm like, man, are we gonna have problems here? Like, I don't like having
Stare.
beef in Kelantan. You see, like a hater. Did I catch up with someone from his family? In
Yeah,
the case,
yeah.
he started looking at me. Finally, he said, you yang selalu masuk Instagram tu kan? So we're just talking. Apparently, he's a fan.
Okay.
And suddenly, I tell my wife which kampung she's
Yeah.
from.
Yeah.
Tiba-tiba, her late father were friends with this guy. Lah, anak Husni ke?
Yeah.
Anak Husni. And then like, I kenal, dia pernah buat ni. Like, can you imagine like a random, like on the way back to KL?
Yep.
I just wanted roti canai.
Yeah.
I was staring, right? And then when I say my wife which kampung,
Yeah.
and he asked what's the last name, lah, ya ke? Then the whole story opened up about it's amazing.
Betul lah.
Yeah,
Memang
it's like
semua
that.
masing-masing
That's
kenal
why I said,
sesuatu.
kita jangan pecah.
Yeah. So kita jangan pecah.
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 Ada H.
I gotta give you
Pecah.
some tuition.
Set
At
kita.
least I akan bagi Aris tuition
Jangan
sikit.
pecah.
Ada H
Yes,
tu.
Sabdu dia kena ada.
That's why
So maknanya dia tak kenal you seorang, dia kena kenal you, siapa bini you, siapa bapak you
Yeah,
kiri
yeah.
kanan.
Yeah.
Then,
Yeah.
lain kali
Yes.
dia petik, oh yang ni interlink.
you will be surprised the amount how far they can put it in Kelantan.
Oh yes.
crazy.
Oh,
Itulah the whole
petik
family
lah.
tree.
Mama petik memang orang suka petik lah dekat Kelantan.
Dia memang akan tahu the whole family
So
tree.
from seeing how my wife punya family is, it makes me appreciate family more lah. Sebelum ni it's just me and my parents.
Yeah.
But going back to kampung with them is like you sort of appreciate that bonding lah.
Dulu close knit
nice.
je, your own
Now
je.
it's like it's massive.
Yeah. Now a massive family.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so sekarang banyak juga cerita kita dapat tahu
Banyak.
daripada Cap sebab kita dah pecahkan rahsia dia betul.
Yeah.
Kejap lagi dia kena ngadap dengan kawan-kawan dia pula.
Kawan dia akan marah dia sekejap lagi.
Ya, yeah, so sebentar nanti kita akan masuk ke segmen Day Tanya You Jawab. Siap you.
Stay tuned.
No.
Itu dia meriah dah nak habis dah kek ni.
Cap, you
Kita
still
dah
have
start
to
ke? Wait,
order.
kita dah start lah Cap. Kita dah start dah.
Oh,
Guys,
my God.
welcome back. Kita dekat dalam segmen.
So
Segmen apa?
sorry. We've been busy.
Segmen Day Tanya You Jawab. Tapi kat sini Day sponsor we makan. Sedap weh.
Like a before after shot. This previous scene there was cake here.
Yes,
Yeah.
betul.
Now it's like halfway gone.
Sekarang dah tumbang.
Minta maaf.
Tapi guys, sedap gila. This is bundt cakes. Yang ni is limau nipis flavor. Dekat bawah kacang tumbuk. Tak pernah dengar kan? Okay, it's from Manis by Wildflower. Yeah, did I get that? Yeah.
Yep.
So kalau nak, you guys cari diorang on Instagram. But oh my god, kacang tumbuk cake, guys. Have you ever have you ever heard about it?
The
Kan?
best. It's like lemon cake. Tapi limau nipis.
Yeah,
Yes,
limau
limau
nipis.
nipis.
I've never heard people use limau nipis, but that's
Very Malaysia.
very Malaysian.
Yeah.
Okay, Cap. Apa nilai hidup yang you tak akan compromise langsung?
Meaning like what? Nilai.
Any principle in life that you won't even compromise?
Keadilan, kebenaran.
Come, I ambil satu.
Keadilan dan kebenaran. That's why you're doing this.
okay.
Yep.
This is your calling. This is your
Yeah.
purpose.
Cannot be compromised. In our tagline for Munafik Hunter, we put demi masa depan anak kita tiada kompromi.
Faham?
Right.
We fight for kebenaran all the time. That's our kiblat.
Min.
Okay, katalah diberikan 2 kes tapi you kena ambil satu. Satu kes rogol, satu lagi kes dera kanak-kanak. Which one would you pick?
We do both.
If you had to choose one, which one is your first to go and
Yeah.
second? I mean your priority lah. I wouldn't say you akan ignore.
For us, is who requested first.
Right.
So if
You don't pick and choose.
No, we don't pick and choose.
But which one is so dear to you? Yang mana yang macam
Every case is dear to us.
Yeah?
Like but the thing I always tell my small team, we never take it personally.
right?
'Cause it will eat you inside. The
Yeah.
Tasca one nearly knocked us all out,
Yeah.
right? But we had to like refresh ourselves. Look, there'll be more cases. This is just one in many. So snap out of it. Meaning, don't get emotional.
Yes, don't stay there lah.
Don't stay there in that zone. Mangsa will be mangsa. They are the mangsa.
Yeah.
But we need to go take a cold shower, come back, get a job done, ciao.
Right.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, but yeah.
Yeah.
And this one, dia tanya, how do you define success for
Definition
yourself
success.
today? Yeah.
Success is coming home, making your family happy.
Ah.
That's it. There's no other.
That's a nice
for
way
me,
to
there's
put
no.
it.
There's no success in our jobs. For me lah. I don't call those success. I call those achievements in work.
Yeah.
Success for me is coming home and seeing your son happy, making your wife laugh, making your daughter laugh,
Laugh,
giggle,
play.
and having Ariel like go crazy on his scooter. That for me is success.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Wah, itu definisi dia.
Yeah.
Maknanya have family lah. Happiness.
Family, yeah.
So kalau boleh rewind satu posting lama, posting mana yang you akan delete and kenapa?
I think I would delete the budak yang panggil anak I BAPI tu.
Okay.
I would have not posted yang dia melutut minta maaf.
Oh, faham.
Right.
Yeah.
Dah lepas dah pun,
Dah lepas.
Right.
We were all angry. My wife was super angry.
Yeah.
That part could have been just cut out. Dia boleh melutut minta maaf depan kita sebab my wife dia minta maaf. But sepatutnya tak perlu post benda tu.
Yeah, because it backfired somehow. kan, masa tu, yeah.
No, it
Anything will backfire,
We
but any principle, after a while, dia rasa
after
kesian.
when we are no longer emotional,
Yeah.
I realized you don't have to post that part.
yeah.
It could just be say sorry,
True.
ciao, done. You came to me, you said sorry, it's done. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Right.
Faham. Got carried away sebab dalam masa yang singkat you buat keputusan tu. That's
Yeah,
why.
yeah.
So that's why dia cakap kalau nak buat keputusan jangan masa marah. Calm down
That's
dulu
correct.
baru you buat something.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah, it was too fast anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, siapa satu orang yang paling kuat mempengaruhi cara you berfikir? Who is the one person that has most influenced the way you think today?
Oh, going back to that start question. Who inspired me, right? Remember just now? I couldn't answer.
Yeah.
So,
Someone you look up to, kan? Have you
it's
found
gonna
your
sound
answer?
it's gonna sound so cliche, like I don't even like talking about it.
Yeah.
When I was 15, my dad asked me, because my dad knows ni suka baca.
Okay.
I love to read books. So he brought me an old book, The Life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, when I was 14, 15. Like read first 3 pages, left it to dust.
Right.
Finished it.
Okay.
Then there was a I forgot the author's name. There was a remake of that similar book, but told from a different perspective. When I was 24, 25 years old,
Okay.
when I was doing mengaji.com, the app,
Yes,
Right.
ingat.
that book really empowered me. The life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, empowered me that no matter what, you just have to sentiasa grow, berjuang, grow, berjuang, the hijrah will come. Meaning the process for you to become a better Muslim will come as long as you keep that
Moving. You keep going
moving
towards.
and you know what you want in life.
Yeah.
That inspired me.
Yeah.
Right.
Nice.
Yeah, it was really odd because my dad gave me the book when I was 14. I didn't finish it. I bought the book at Kinokuniya, a similar book, when I was 24.
It was written differently lah.
And it was
Okay.
much more easy to read. The old book was so it's like written by a historian. The new book is also written by a historian, but the way he wrote it was like a storybook.
Right,
Yeah.
right. Nanti share.
Yeah,
Dah
better
banyak benda
storytelling.
kita nak cakap, nak share,
The
share.
first
Dia tadi
Muslim.
banyak
There you
benda.
go. The title.
Oh, the first Muslim.
The first Muslim. The
Okay.
book was called the new
Ah,
book
the
is
first-
called The First Muslim.
The first Muslim.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
In English lah ni.
Yes.
Okay,
Great,
faham.
great book.
Okay.
Okay, this is the next one. Dia tanya apa benda paling you takut orang akan salah faham pasal niat baik you, or that one thing you're most afraid of, where people might misunderstand about your good
I
intentions.
think people have always misunderstood me my whole career.
Yeah.
When I was rapping, people are like, kenapa dia rap English? Gila poyo. Right? And then when we started Munafik Hunter, kenapa dia jaga kain jaga what?
Jaga tepi kain orang.
Jaga tepi kain
Yeah.
orang. Awal-awal, no
Yeah.
one gets it in the beginning.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Only once people see the hasil, orang kena tangkap, penjarakan, kena reman. Only then people like finally open up their eyes like, you know what, actually sebenarnya Kerpis ni, dia bergerak sebab orang minta tolong. Bukan dia pergi cari masalah,
Kepo-kepo.
cari
Yeah.
mangsa rogol,
Yeah.
cari mangsa liwat. These people come to me, ask for help. And what my dad taught me when I was young, kalau someone come to you for help, help them out if you mampu.
Right.
I remember this one, we were driving. This is one scenario that I remember very clearly. On the way back from school, ISKL, my dad picked us up. Right, on the way back home, there's an accident in front of us. Okay, kereta lagi motor ke apa lah, on the way back, passing by Malawati. Okay, this car just go by, but what my dad did was he stopped, he asked the pakcik and the anak, masuk kereta, I hantar pergi hospital.
Macam story
Okay.
bapa I.
So I'm in a car. It's like, and it's raining, by the way.
Yeah.
It's patchy. It's like cold, and the son's barely maybe 6 tahun, right? 6 years old. Like there's a bit of blood, bit of injury. So my dad drove to the hospital in the rain here. Okay. Arrived, just double park, gave some cash, and just we drove off. There was like no waiting for a thank you ke apa. So my dad sort of taught me like no matter what, kalau orang apa tengah susah, try your best to help kalau you mampu.
And if you think it's right also, you
Correct.
just do it.
Correct. So that's
Buat
what
je.
kita amalkan dekat Munafik Hunter. When someone come to you for help,
Yeah.
my son kena ni ke, if I can help, I help. You know what I mean? And we are just a platform, just to give the voice to the people that don't have a voice. That's it.
That's
you know?
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. That's sebenarnya lah. We just highlight a case, and next thing you know, cops pick it up, Menteri pick it up, and things
Yeah.
move. Alhamdulillah. So
Alhamdulillah.
for us, that's been like our. Is it called amanah?
Yes, amanah.
Yeah.
That's like an amanah for our platform.
Just wondering, sekarang ni you ada lagi tak GERD,
No.
gastric and all?
Tak ada, not dealing with anything
Like
anymore.
nothing. Like
Sebab dia punya perasaan tu dah fokus kepada lain tau.
yeah.
Yes.
Dulu maybe I tak tahu lah apa exactly masalah, your root cause. So it makes you
loneliness.
there you
empty
go.
space.
There you
Walaupun
go.
we were clubbing, going to events,
Yeah.
having so many like friends and
At
girlfriends.
the end of the day, you come back
you
home.
come back home, you're alone.
Yeah.
Like you have so many toys and comics.
Yeah.
At that time, I didn't understand kenapa kita kerap beli mainan.
Yeah.
It's to cover the loneliness.
Yeah.
sebenarnya. I learned it the hard way.
Yes,
Tapi
yes.
that cover is temporary. Once you dah beli mainan, buka mainan,
Dah
that
bosan?
happiness for like opening, like, wow, got this cool toy. Then the next day you're back to being kosong.
Yes.
Yeah. Faham?
And you makan ubat,
Yeah.
you know.
And now you rasa ada fulfillment, you
Yeah, now
rasa
you have
macam
a
ada
wife.
purpose.
You know, you
yeah.
when
got
you're
your
stressed, you hug your
kids.
wife. When you're stressed, you go to your son, you peluk him, or take him to the park. So everything is complete. At the marriage, it became more complete.
So basically, those days you ada fun saja, but now you ada love.
Correct. Oh, nice, good one.
Simple.
There you go.
Simple je. So, kita jangan complicate things.
Yes.
That's it. Okay, sekarang kita berehat seketika. Kita akan masuk ke segmen 4. Bawa tenang guys. Sabar, sekejap lagi.
Tunggu.
Bawa
Sekejap
tenang,
je.
bawa tenang,
Sekejap
bawa
lagi.
tenang. We're back.
Yes, we're back.
Min and Kat, dalam kita segmen keempat ini, iaitu segmen Bawa Bertenang. Kita bersama dengan Caprice. Kita kali ni nak tengok the other side of him. Tadi banyak benda serius, banyak benda personal, banyak benda baru yang tak pernah cerita di cerita kali ni. Dan sekarang ni kita nak main game sikit.
And kita tengok macam mana Caprice main game.
Oh,
Kelakar tak kelakar, fun tak fun, kita tengok
I
lagi.
suck at game.
Don't aim to be funny, but maybe dia sebab
yeah.
dia
Boleh.
suck sangat
Yeah.
jadi kelakar.
It can be kelakar for us.
At least it's the pakar at game.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have a cikgu right now who's going to ask you questions.
Okay.
Jadi masa you jawab dekat kamera nanti Cap, you kena jawab dengan pantun.
Meaning?
Meaning, okay, let's say macam Min explain dekat you kan. 1 campur 1 is 2. But you cannot just jawab 2. You have to give a pantun which rhymes dengan 2 at the end.
Give me an example. What's a
Okay,
pantun?
contoh.
How do you say dua for
Okay.
pantun?
Ada seorang duda, ada seorang janda. Jawapan dia 2.
Yes, something
Or
like
something
that.
like that lah.
Rhymes.
It
A at
rhymes.
the back.
Oh,
Whatever. Just 2 kerat pantun
That's
je.
it?
That's it.
alright.
Simple.
Let's try.
Rappers
Simple.
can do that.
Dia asalkan dia rhyme saja.
Okay,
Mari
alright.
cikgu.
Okay,
Mari kita
come
nak
cikgu.
tengok. Inilah rupa cikgu kita. Cikgu bagi buku depan cikgu. Okay.
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 No.
Right. So 1 is a bell untuk a Cap, 1 untuk kita. Just in case kita boleh jawab kan, Min?
Yes.
Okay.
So kita bertiga lah main ni
Yeah.
sebenarnya. Kita bertiga.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay?
Let's do it.
Individual. Okay, cikgu.
Alright. Okay, soalan dia untuk hari ini. Okay.
Kita bagi.
Okay, kita
I like to
bagi.
win.
Okay. Number 1, okay. Apakah pakaian tradisional lelaki yang biasa? Okay.
I know the answer. I'm
Yeah.
trying to find the pantun.
Understand?
Okay. Cari pantun tu.
It had to rhymes with that word, right?
Yes.
See, I never rap in Malay, by the way.
Okay, I tolong you with the first part
Yeah.
and then you jawab, okay? Kaum di Malaysia rata-ratanya kaum Melayu. Your answer.
Yo, what?
Baju itu adalah baju?
Baju itu adalah baju Melayu.
Yeay.
Tu je contoh dia. That's it. That's pantun.
Nak cakap menyelam laut dalam jumpa ikan hiu. Jawapan dia ikan Melayu.
Go there.
Buat apa boleh juga.
You can make...
Sayu, kayu.
Yes,
Yeah.
kayu.
Okay, so you're getting the
Ikan
drift
hiu.
dah. You're getting the drift.
I'm in drift.
Yeah, you're getting the
Kuyu.
drift.
Yeah, but
Tak apa.
trying to find a word to there is hard.
Faham?
Okay.
Got it.
Okay.
Next one.
Alright, next
Do
one.
I get the
Okay,
point?
next one. Oh, yeah.
Boleh.
Okay, apakah wang pemberian kepada kanak-kanak ketika hari raya dipanggil? Okay, Min dulu.
Tapi perkataan dia macam sama. Tapi tak apa.
Tak apa, asal maksud
Masa
berbeza.
kecil kena santau jumpa hantu raya.
Benda itu adalah
setiap hari raya kita dapat duit raya. My God, banyaknya raya tu ada 3 raya. Di bulan Aidilfitri kita dapat duit raya.
Yes, Min, betul.
Oh my God. Okay.
Soalan ketiga pula. Okay, apakah bahan utama yang diisi dalam daun kelapa untuk membuat ketupat? Okay, Min again.
Wow, that one I don't know.
okay.
Jangan main dengan kayu tu sebab dia keras.
Okay.
Yang dimasukkan dalam daun kelapa adalah beras.
No, you should be like, kita ada tetamu nama dia Topi Beras.
Ya, betul lah weh. Lepas tu dia you lah yang jawab. Okay.
Try again.
Okay.
Topi Beras.
Okay, beras.
Ya,
Ya, betul lah. Lambat
Okay.
lah. Sebab I baru tahu nama tu.
It's cool. Me too.
Yeah.
Not me too.
Topi
but
Beras.
Like,
Yeah.
what
Topi
flow this
Beras.
Right, okay.
Okay.
The next soalan, okay. What is the hardest natural substance on earth? Okay.
Oh, dia in English ya. So pantun kena in English ke ni?
Yeah.
Can. Also can. Boleh.
How do you? What rhymes with that word, guys? What rhymes with diamond?
And the answer is
Go ahead.
I
Right.
don't like to be in the macam mana nak cakap, tak suka nak jadi nombor 2. I don't like to be second.
This rhyme with diamond?
The hardest thing is diamond. The hardest whatever is diamond. Yeah, with the ND at the back though.
Yeah. Boleh is accepted. Is accepted.
Second, diamond.
Thank you, Min.
No, producer shaking the head.
Why
Doesn't
not?
count.
Tak.
To spell
shaking
second.
her head.
One more round, guys.
Spell
One more
second.
round. Last
Spell
round.
second
No.
with diamond. It ends with
No.
ND.
Okay,
Not
next
sure which
question.
hip-hop.
Okay.
Okay. But no, it's not hip hop. Itu pantun pun.
Okay, pantun.
But
Okay.
Okay,
Well,
I want
last round,
to see you
last
guys. I
round.
want to see you guys answer that.
Okay, let me
Last round.
try. Let me try.
Okay.
Answer that.
My neighbor's name is
Raymond.
Raymond.
That
is called Diamond.
That's not fair.
Cat.
Why?
Cat.
My cat's name is Simon.
Ken.
My thing is Diamond.
Yeah.
We can do
Okay,
that.
okay, Ken.
Of course.
I'm gonna
Pantun.
name every neighbor now. Go. Give me another question.
No, we
Go ahead.
gave you. We had to
gonna-
give you
Yeah.
that.
Okay, I'm gonna call another neighbor's
Yeah.
name.
Okay.
Got it.
Cap, life is simple. We'll just make it
Yes,
simple.
don't
You're right.
complicate things.
You're
Yeah.
right. I think
Things will get complicated on Munafik Hunter.
True.
Outside Munafik Hunter is simple.
Enjoy, right?
Enjoy.
That's
Okay.
what my wife
Question,
will tell
okay?
me.
Yeah.
Which animal is known for its black and white stripes?
I'm gonna name some neighbors now.
Okay.
Okay.
You ready for this? My neighbor's name is Kibra.
Tak asyik tipu. Nana pun tu tak ada. Dia African ke?
Black and white stripe is a zebra.
Okay.
There you go. I won.
Baik cakap my neighbor hangs a bra.
No,
At least,
Kibra.
no, at least make the sound,
My
the name of your neighbor.
Realistic.
Realistic lah. Mana ada orang
name
called
is Kibra.
Kibra? Nobody's called
My
Kibra.
neighbor's from Africa.
You might as well say I have a cobra.
Yeah.
The animal is
I want to
zebra.
name my neighbor. I want to just name my neighbor, guys.
She doesn't like to wear bra or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
You know? Anything.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Oh my
Give me
god.
another one.
Sakit. Okay, ini
Another
best.
one.
Okay.
Ini best.
I will give you another neighbor's name.
Tiba-tiba hari ni teacher speaking ya.
Yeah. Teacher speaking. Caprice datang, pantun dia speaking.
Okay,
Kan?
I'm going to give you another neighbor's name. Check it out.
Okay.
Great.
Let's go.
Any question? Go ahead.
Okay. What country is famous for pizza and pasta?
My neighbor's name, Sicily. The best pizza is from Italy. Oh, guys, I won. I won.
Okay.
Clearly, I
Kita
won.
bagi dia.
Clearly, I won.
Kita bagi.
Ini baik bukannya
Okay, give me
bukan
another one. Give me
nama
another one. I'll give you
Cicu.
more neighbor's name.
Nama game
Yang
saya cikgu.
kelakar,
Nama
ya.
game ni adalah my neighbor's name.
Yeah.
Lepas tu
Go.
yang
Give me
kelakarnya,
another one. I'll
nama
give
ni
you-
dia adalah nama daerah in Italy.
Yeah, Sicily.
Okay, sambung. Sambung.
Okay.
Sakitnya perut.
Next question. Okay. How many players are on a football team on the field?
Kita bagi dia semua.
Bagi.
Okay, please again.
My neighbor's name.
My cat's neighbor's name is Fevin.
Steven.
Fevin. In football, there's only 11.
Betul. Pandai.
Name.
Dia my neighbor's name or my cat's neighbor's name?
Sudah grandma's name. Whoever lah. Your grandma.
Tak, sekarang
Oh,
ni.
grandma,
sekarang
my
ni,
grandma.
I regret starting my neighbor's name.
Raymond.
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 Okay, lepas ni kita up satu game. You kata nak menang, kita kena keep growing kan. No more names.
Yeah.
I
No
want
more
to
names.
complicated.
win.
Jom, last one. Last question.
Championship round.
One last one.
How many teeth does an adult human usually have?
How many what? Sorry.
Say again,
what?
say again.
Huh?
Teeth.
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 Oh, teeth.
Yeah.
Ha, easy. My teacher's name.
Tak ada name. Championship tak ada name. Championship tak ada name.
Championship. Dia complicated, tak boleh ada
Tak ada
name.
name.
We don't want to know whoever's name right now. We don't want to know.
Cepat. So?
Alright, ready?
Yeah? We've been ready since yesterday, mate.
We can't use names anymore.
Okay.
You go.
Here you go.
So jawapan nak kena in English tapi I bagi pantun Melayu.
Boleh.
Okay.
Asalkan maksud dia
Kecil-kecil
kena.
kepala banyak kutu.
Hmm.
Jawapannya teritu. English and Malay, you know.
Thank you.
Is this your first time playing this?
First time.
Thank
and last
you.
time.
Thank you.
And the last
Thank
time.
you.
And the last time.
That was amazing. Best ke tidak? Another side of Caprice yang korang baru tengok hari ni.
Betul. Thank you so
Oh my
much
God,
Caprice
thank
for
you.
coming to the show. Terima
Thank
kasih.
you.
And also minta maaf juga daripada hujung rambut sampai hujung kaki
Yes.
walaupun terpaksa buka cerita you.
It's okay.
Rahsia you daripada
Rahsia you.
kawan-kawan. And also terima kasih kepada semua sponsor kita
Yes.
pada hari ini.
Yes.
Kita ada Stutz Media, kita ada Manis by Wildflower.
We also have Fika Dessert. Thank you so much. And to all of our audiences, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Okay? Share banyak-banyak. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your neighbours. Bagi tahu jiran-jiran you untuk follow Min and Cat. Okay?
Siapa nama neighbor you?
Siapa nama neighbour you?
Tinggal dalam komen. Bye.